Thirsty.
All right, boys, we're live. We're live on YouTube.
All right.
Let me,
Perfect.
let me, just to make sure you guys can still see the screen. Yes. Let me fix my screens real quick. Um,
All
what
right.
time is it right now?
Boys, do you guys hear us on YouTube? Do you guys hear the Zoom people?
Oh, please tell me they do. I completely forgot about that. Yo, hey, YouTube, if you guys are there, paying attention, do you guys hear all of us? Snipes, the chat. Let me pull up YouTube right here.
You already feel it. I
Oh,
feel like today's gonna be a banger.
we have zero, three
YouTube.
viewers.
If you
Yo,
guys are
all
there, pay attention.
three
Do you guys
viewers.
hear all of us? Snipes, the chat.
Yo, I think you have to mute YouTube Snipes. All right, fire. The YouTube hears everybody. Yeah, I think yesterday. I guess I can't use my headphones. That sucks, cause my headset is lit and it has like a mic, and I feel like you guys hear me better through the mic. So it's kind of bummed out. Let me go here.
Yeah, you're good. I was checking YouTube, and you could probably hear my volume in the background, but they can hear both of y'all.
Yeah, just make sure you mute YouTube if you have both open. Fire. Thank you for the support, bro, for having both open too. That really means a lot, like the likes and subscribing and all that.
Yeah, I'll throw a like out there too, right quick.
All right.
Fire window.
Let's get it.
So today's core retail news. Core retail sales. We have news at 8:30 again. Yesterday was crazy. Wow.
Bro, facts.
Like I feel like yesterday was such a good day to trade, but like I was talking about this on the live last night with Dollar, and I was like saying like even though I had an analysis on gold, and I didn't execute on my analysis, I still felt good because it was a no trade day, and a no trade day is a winning day in my eyes. A lot of people probably think no trade day is a losing day, or this and that, but cash is king, and at the end of the day, I have an account to come back to and be able to trade today. So that's what I care about. I could have, like, I think a lot of times we forget that news is crazy. A lot, it's volatile. It's a great day to trade, but just how it went my way, instantly within 1 minute candle, within a couple seconds, I hit like TP5, TP6. I could have hit stop loss 6. you know it could have been against me, and sometimes we see it. Sometimes we're expecting something with news, and then when news is released, it goes against us just to fake out the opposing investors, and then it'll go our way after. Or sometimes it doesn't even go our way at all, and we're just there like, yo, what the hell, like it was supposed to go our way. So I'm pretty satisfied with the result from yesterday, with how news went out and everything. Change in total value of sales at the retail level excluding automobiles. So last month it was less than actual. We were negative 0.3%. So I wonder how this month will be. It's crazy. I'm bearish overall. I think on every single pair I'm pretty bearish. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, out of the massive move, I only got um, 10 pips with a few minutes at the very bottom, but at the end of the day, it was a win. But could have been a loss. So I think if you're making profit, it doesn't matter. Facts. If you're making profit, I think anybody who made profit on any size amount and any amount of pips, you should be grateful. And the fact that you think like that, building, it shows a lot about your attitude as a trader, and you value your pips, you value the money you make, and that's dope. A lot of people would be like, "Oh, I only made 10 pips. I could have made 400, 300. Yeah, I think everybody here on this chat and on the Zoom and everybody as a trader in general could talk about how much they could have made and should have made and how they didn't trust their entry and all that. But at the end of the day, what really matters is that if your analysis plays out in your favor and your trade idea ended up catching like 200 pips, dude, that's a big step. That's a level up in confidence. Next time there's news, I'm gonna have that confidence to just execute. You know,
Yep.
I'm so bearish on gold and GJ2,
Mm.
bro. GJ2, we're at a key level on the daily level. I was looking at GJ an hour ago. Yeah, look at this, bro. Look at all that reaction on GJ, bro.
Yeah.
Like we're either gonna break or reject, and I personally think I'd rather reject just cause like, dude. I mean, but this is where you see like, this is where you really have to have those 4 to 5 confluences, where you have to really focus, be patient, because yeah, there's an infinite amount of reward to the upside, because there's no cap on how much you can make on the upside and how much a pair or a stock can go up, right? And obviously, if it tanks, you're capped at zero. But the risk to reward on both levels are just pretty juicy, you know. So we gotta be careful with trading GJ. We gotta make sure we have confluences to our favor. I like all these areas of rejection that we see here, you know. So let's see how we do. What do you think
I
about GJ Snipes? This is your pair right here.
All right. So look at the 30 minute.
30 minute.
Now that you've
Oh,
already
do you
made
wanna
analysis.
you wanna take over my screen, buddy?
All right. Yeah.
What do I press? Remote control.
Look there, request.
There you go, buddy. Screen is now yours.
I was looking at EJ here. Okay, but let me make the analysis on GJ.
Let's look at EJ real quick. I haven't
Okay.
even I haven't even touched EJ.
I think it was the 1 hour actually. That was the 1 hour. So here, what I've noticed is that we came over here, we were pretty bullish, right? But then we came back inside this range. We closed below. Now we're fucking retesting again this resistance to maybe flip and start coming bearish and fill this whole gap. That's what I'm seeing right now with EJ. Right now, can that happen? Maybe that could happen. Let's wait for a little more volume here. Maybe if this candle flips, then maybe we could start looking for an entry. But let's see. I wanna be a little more patient here. But if I see the move, I'll be taking it. And same thing with GJ here. I found that there is a area here of resistance. Look, I'm gonna go here to the daily. Let me take this one out real quick. Hold on. Shit. Alright, give me a second, boys. Okay. Okay, so over here we have this area here of resistance. Alright, that I think is pretty valid right here. We've been rejecting this area and we've been closing below it every time, right? So if you guys notice over here, let me take this one out. We've been closing above, then coming right back into this range, right? If you guys notice, coming above right here, we rejected this area. We came here, but then we ended up closing below, and then over here we close over here, and then now we're still trading below it. Now, if we start trading above these areas over here, um, I'll definitely I'll definitely start looking for some buys, but I don't know about the buys, boys. I don't know. We're here on this area, on this big daily resistance, so it could be a little more riskier here to take some buys.
Wait, let me mute everybody real quick. Zoom.
So yeah, let's be a little patient here for today, and yeah, let's see what's going on with gold.
Did I forget to unmute? What the hell? Everybody should be. Damn, I forget. Alright, gold. Here you go, sir.
You could do the breakdown on gold if you want. That's your pair.
Dude, you're beside gold too, Loki. Dude, daily levels, I'm just bearish, bro. Like, look at all this. Like, my trend line is still fucking valid. I have this trend line here that I set up. This trend line comes from the 4 hour, and it seems valid. Look, we broke out. We see retests. I will be executing. I low key want to be executing on sells. If I'm gonna execute the sells, like all of this right here is risky sells, right? If we can reject this area, we can low key take those risky sells. But clean, safe sells would be around this area, right around here. Let me mark it up for you guys. Safe sells. Safe, and we're gonna mark it up red for you guys, just so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So safe sells right around here, and I'm gonna mark this up as risky sells. Risky sells. Guys, these range ones and range twos really help me like identify. Like here, I have my range ones set up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that there, just in case we touch that area again. I can just expand it. But now if we look here on the higher time frames, we don't really have much range. This is not really an area of consolidation, but I guess let's try to identify every single time frame, especially to the left side, because we don't really tend to trade around this range often. So that's why these areas right here, we have to be very careful when trading. You know, when there's a lot of range, you can sort of expect a big breakout, a big to the upside or to the downside. But here, there's not a lot of range. We've seen these areas before. It's not like it's new to us or anything, but you want to be very careful when trading these pairs, especially around these ranges. So right now, I already have my zone set up from a couple days, from when I set up my zones a couple days ago. So if anything, what I'll be doing now is like just be tweaking certain trend lines. Maybe they're not valid anymore, so I'll remove them. I'll maybe adjust my support and resistance, add anything if I see anything. Like right now here on the 1 hour, I'll probably be looking to add a zone just because of how big it is, from 661 to 1643. So I want to have certain target levels. But overall, let's see where I would buy. So I already told you guys where I would sell, right? Now safe buys, in my opinion, like this whole area, I wouldn't really say it's a safe buy just because of how we've consolidated, or we've over time, we've throughout this whole time we've been consolidated in this whole area right here. So I wouldn't, just because this is above risky sales, I wouldn't say it's a safe buy or a risky buy. It's really risky actually. So let's move this. I wouldn't even want to trade there, to be honest. I would probably even take my risky buys here, and then safe buys right around here. You know, where because this whole area right here to me is a retest. You know, we retested this area twice. This is a key area where we've consolidated before, so we can reject this area and break these areas right here. I think we're looking clean to come down and touch 1620, possible even 1600 area, right? So we want to be careful when trading. So let's identify this area as safe buys. And like I said, safe buys just because we'll be breaking out of this whole area. This whole area right here, we'll put this right around there because it's risky buys. We have. I guess we can set up a little trend line there. Let's see how it does. It could be valid. It can't be. It probably isn't valid. Guys, talking about that, I was thinking. I was talking to an amateur trader, who just started trading about a couple weeks ago, and they were telling me, like, oh, just kind of right now my confidence with the market is a little down, just because like I don't know what's right and what's wrong. Like sometimes he sets up his zone and it seems right, it seems wrong. And if you guys have any like I'm not like over the years I've come to realize that you shouldn't be scared, At the end of the day, whether I say it all the time, I'm always constantly adding trend lines, removing trend lines because some are valid and some won't be valid. You can't expect everything you set to be valid. And it's okay to be wrong. Accepting that you're wrong and like maybe one of you guys have made the same mistake that I've made, and you tell me, hey, John Paul, this trend line isn't valid because of this. Just being open to being wrong is it's okay. So that's why sometimes you may see one trend line here, another trend line here. Also, let me identify. I'll identify my trend lines for just the chat, just so you guys could know. Put this here. This right here is like my weekly, weekly, daily trend line, and it's valid. I'm like I'm 110% that it's valid. Look at why it's valid. I've been showing this trend line for the past couple days here. We've been having this trend line set for the past well, since I've set this trend line, it's been 2 months, and for those past 2 months, we've been respecting it. Look at all these pivot point areas that we have here. Rejection, bam. Rejection, bam. Rejection, bam. Rejection, bam. And every time I say rejection and bam, we're forming new lower lows and new lower highs, right? So you got here your lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We've consistently been repeating the same pattern. So we have to identify these patterns so we can be better prepared for what could happen next. What could happen next is that we form a lower low. It only makes sense. And that is why I like look if we look at the higher time frames, now we get to see where I put safe sells. It doesn't look too safe. It looks safer than above, but your safe sells are really here. But we're talking about too many like there's just too many pips here. So safer sells for me would be here to possibly gap fill, to wick fill this whole area on the weekly time frame. When we scale down to the lower time frames, we're now in the daily time frame, right? So your risky sales, if they break out and we can trade below this range right here, we can wick fill this whole area. We can fill this whole area and test this whole area right here. We can see 1600. If we reject 1600, 1600 is a key area in gold.
Well, that's yes.
So this is my weekly daily trend line and it's valid. Here, as you can see, on the daily time frames and weekly time frames, we're also on this downward trend channel that I've been mentioning this for the past couple of days again. It's pretty valid. Yeah, it could get some tweaking done to it, but as you start to tweak it, you can sort of see that we're sort of squeezing in little by little, right? it seems you may not be able to see it yet much, but you could kind of tell the angle on how they're angled. We're squeezing in, and when we start to squeeze in, we should expect a big bounce, either to the downside or to the upside. If we break below 1600, I truly think that gold can come and touch 1400 levels, and from 1400 we should be able to bounce back up. But with everything, with with elections amongst senators and governors and all that, you have like elections right around the corner. We're at corona highs, with unemployment going up, inflation going up. We should start to see the dollar's also been going up, so we should see gold kind of test little low areas to possibly come back up and bounce. So just being patient and catching that bounce. But in the meantime, we could just keep in mind now we've identified market structure on gold, right? So since we know the market structure trend is obviously bearish, as you guys can see, that obviously is a bearish um, trend. Let's be careful when buying. Yeah, we can buy for 10 pips, 20 pips. Nothing wrong with that. But when buying, we want to be careful of that. Just keep in mind, trend is against us. Let's look at the dollar real quick. DXY. DXY has only been going up. Holy. Look at this. This is just insane. What do you guys think about the DXY? You guys think it's gonna keep going up, or you guys think it has to go down now? Like,
Bro, this shit's bullish as shit, bro. It's been bullish for a while now. Look at that shit. It's been bullish for a while now.
Let's look at US 30. US 30 touched 30,000 again. Dude, is that US 30? I see.
It's pretty bullish. Especially we start breaking those highs right there.
Yeah, look here. I mean, dude. Overall, bro, I really think US 30 like within a month, or we could see 24,000 area, but we're at a nice area of resistance right now. Let's see how we react to this 30,500 area. Let's see if we reject, or if we reject, we should come back down into the range and stuff. But also we're at a like higher time frame, like weekly level of support. So
Yeah.
let me see what
Yo,
what up, chat? What are you guys up to? How's the chat doing? Let me go here real quick. My bad. If somebody was gonna say something.
Yo, Dr. Snipe, the EJ buys played out yesterday.
Oh shit, what's good, Eric? Let me check that out.
What's up, Eric?
Remember we were talking about how price form support?
Yeah. You send the. Let me see. I'm gonna just click right now.
Eric, did you trade London last night?
What?
Did you trade London last night?
Yeah.
Were you with Dollar and all them?
Yeah, we were early with them, bro. I was with you. I was in the Zoom with you before the stream.
Dude, that was nasty, dude. That literally bounced and then it fucking kept on going up. It was clean support.
Hey John, will the news affect the DXY today? It possibly could. Yesterday,
Yeah, obviously. True.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Retail sales.
I want to say the reason I say it possibly could, is because, like I said yesterday, this is our first time trading news week on New York session, so
it's the end of the week too, so they're gonna close the move.
So there's a lot of right now where this to us is if our analysis is right and we see our confluences to our favor, then we're gonna execute. But for sure, all news affects certain pairs. Not always will it affect it the way we think it will, But we're definitely here to just we're gonna be careful because it's news. We're gonna make sure we have the right confluences in our
So
favor and not
GG
overtrade.
setting up pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm looking at that
You
right
see?
now. I'm looking at
What do
GG
you
right now.
like on GJ, Eric? You like sells or buys?
I like buys, but I want to see price retest come down. I don't
Dude,
want to see it blow through that.
Eric,
Because I mean, it could. What?
you're always like, oh look, Eric sent his chat. Let's look at his chart. Let's look at his chart real quick, guys. Like, if you guys want to send your chart and want us to
It's
give your
EJ.
opinion, send it. This is EJ. Yeah, EJ.
Yeah,
I see. It's pretty clean. This area this area of resistance comes from higher time frame or is it
yeah. It's
2 hour?
coming from the higher time frame.
You
If price,
also use big rectangles for higher time frames?
yeah, so I can know. But I low key think if price closed above that area, that would be crazy. But like I said, like in these markets, like you can expect anything. Like I'm not even some. I wouldn't even be surprised if GJ blow through that major level too. Like you know, I mean,
Yeah.
the yen is getting weaker, so
Yeah, let's see what happens here.
I would love for it to push down like a little bit down, like at least 165, 742, form, turn that resistance to support, and then continue higher.
And what chart is this? This is
I think it's GJ.
GJ.
Yeah, it's GJ. I'm waiting for that bounce.
Damn, that's a nice 165 500, bro. That 165 500 is psychological area, in my opinion. If we can reject that area and bounce up, we should see. Dude, that I like that analysis. I see what you're seeing.
Yeah, but we got to see if price is gonna hold that area, which it should, to be honest. In my opinion, it should hold that area.
Dude, my throat. I think I'm getting sick, dude.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Uh,
Bothers me so much.
you gotta wash your hands more often, brother.
I know.
You gotta take care of yourself.
Hopefully I don't get sick. Alright.
I don't think we're gonna see much volume for now. I think
I think when the data come out, we're gonna finish the move back bearish. Because remember how yesterday we had a nice push up after news, after we tapped the area on gold, 160,
Yeah.
1644, and saw a nice bounce.
Yeah.
We could possibly see breaking that level. Because if it breaks that level, we got clean traffic until 1623, which is not a bad area for gold to close on the higher time frame.
Yeah.
But that basically depends on the number that come out.
Let's see what happens here. I'm pretty bearish here on EJ and on GJ today. I am liking sells, dude.
I mean, we're approaching the area, so if we
I
can
like
close
I like
below
the
it,
close. I like the close we just had on GJ on the 15-minute, and also on EJ. Now we're back into a
where
range.
would your stop loss be on
That's
on
the
GJ
problem.
case?
That's the only
33.
reason. That's the only reason I wouldn't be taking the trade because there's no
God
stop
damn,
loss.
that's a 93 wick.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
If you look at the 15-minute, we don't really have a stop loss. Price could just come up 20 pips and then come down. And yeah. Then on EJ, I feel like this 15-minute candle is gonna start flipping. We're gonna start breaking lows right now.
Would you get in the flip on
When I
EJ?
get in on the flip on EJ, damn right.
There's gonna be the 1 hour flip too.
well for sales.
I low key wanna get it. I low key wanted to get in at 143.800.
Candle flip would be now, wouldn't it? Like soon.
Yeah.
But do you think there's enough volume to trade this shit right now, or do you guys think we're gonna be? I mean, I think this will probably be like a 30-minute trade. I don't know. There's not a lot of volume right now. Oh, there's two Erics in the chat. Eric Ali and Eric Vasquez. GJ multiple rejection at 165.965. Let me see, 165. Yeah, 165.965. Yeah, it could. Look at this whole little range that we have here.
Or or we can be ranging and closing out like that, and then
Giovanni, make sure you make that link so we could.
Yeah, but the Zoom has two entries for me to send it.
All right, yo guys, we're gonna transfer Zoom sessions real quick. YouTube's still gonna stay on, so just click on the link that we resend right now.
All right, my friend. All right, we'll be back. And this Zoom.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Wait, you're moving my mouse.
Sure.
Da na 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 na. This GJ. Those cells can look potentially can be pretty good on GJ. YouTube, I know. Okay, you guys can still see my screen, perfect. Send me the link. What up, Angel? Yeah, we're gonna send you the link right now. Hold on. Let Snipes make the link, cause he may stay on a little longer than I will. So it's better if he sends the link like that. I don't have to end it later. Alright, we're back on Zoom.
Alright, we're back. Mami, qué rica tu te ve.
Angel, I'm gonna text you right now. Give me one moment. Messages. Angel.
Oh my god.
I don't think I have your number, Angel, but I do have your Telegram. What happened, Snipes?
I posted something on my story with a typo.
No way. How could you?
Just to post it again.
Angel, what's your Telegram? I know. Oh, here it's here. It's in the blues. Yeah, Angel.
Wait, send the JP. Send the Zoom to the Freedom Trading.
Oh,
Hold on, I'm gonna send it.
I got you. I'm already here.
I got it.
Da, 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 da. I already sent it, buddy.
Oh, you send the good shit.
Let's send it here.
Fix the cameras on YouTube, JP.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, I think you gotta make me a host, Brody.
Alright.
Wait, before you do, yeah.
Fix the cameras on. There we go.
Oh, there we go. All right, it works. It's good now, right?
On YouTube. Oh, let me see.
Hey, chat, can you hear everybody from Zoom? Oh, fingers crossed. I hope you guys can, because if you guys can, it's gonna fucking.
Fix it on the OBS.
Nah.
No. The camera shit.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought you meant like the.
There, you did it. Let's get it.
What's up, Kamal? What's that?
But was getting it early in the morning.
That was funny.
Okay. Alright, let's go back to where we were.
We can hear LOL perfect. You guys don't understand how happy me and Snipes are to know that you guys could hear. Like, no joke.
Facts.
Because this whole shit was stressing us out this earlier in this week. With people being able to hear and not hear and all that. But I mean, guys, if you guys don't want to trip about not hearing on YouTube, just join our Telegram. Join the VIP so you can be part of the Zoom, so you can talk, exchange ideas. Where's Eric at? Is Eric not here?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What up, Eric?
So,
So wait, you
I'll be
didn't
back.
nap? You didn't take a single nap at all?
nah.
What time do you go to sleep at? I know you barely sleep, but
It's probably like just take a nap like around 11, 12.
are you one of those persons that believes in taking naps throughout their day?
Yeah. Because, I mean, there's no time, you know. You don't want to sleep your whole life.
Dude, it's so crazy how sleeping 8 hours a day, every day
That is
for
a
a whole
lot.
week,
That's a
you will
lot.
end up, yeah, like you'll end up losing days really. Like, for example, I think I spoke to a very successful person once and I asked him, like, why do you wake up so early? Like what do you do that you have to wake up at 4:30 every morning? He's like, one of my neighbors. And he told me, like, oh, when I wake up at 4:30 in the morning every single day for 7 days a week, I'm adding an extra day to my week.
That is true.
Dude, that blew my mind. Like, we're talking about like a multi-millionaire, like, just waking up at 4:30 every morning, telling me that. I was inspired. You know,
Yeah.
that's part of the reason why. I mean, with me at least, I was so willing to do New York streams because I wake up at 5:55. I work here. I'm on the charts. Well, I mean, we're all working. All of us on this, all of us
Also
on this
life,
YouTube and the Zoom, we're
life,
all working.
life doesn't promise you the next day. So
Facts, exactly. Very
just
good
gotta
point.
enjoy it. Make the best out of it.
We gotta plan for tomorrow and live today. You know?
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
What up, Eden? What up, Bronson? GU, what's our idea on GU? GU is, I mean, me personally,
All the sales.
I don't know, I dislike GU.
I know their shit's tanked very heavy in the higher time.
GU, we have our area of resistance right around here.
You technically broke structure.
Yep. Let's go to 4 hour real quick. This I don't think is valid.
Yo, I'm back.
Where'd you go?
I'm too with some food, bro. I'm hungry.
I didn't even realize. Dude, I went to
Yeah.
Wawa after. You know
For real? Dude, I saw your brother in Wawa.
that? Yeah, he called me saying that you needed that you were here, that I needed to answer the phone. 'Cause I guess I wasn't answering or something. I don't know. What was my brother doing on Wawa?
You did the same shit I did.
Eating.
Yeah.
Yo, what's your thoughts on gold in 30 minutes? Dr.
I feel like this shit's tripping up a little bit here, but we gotta watch out with the SMA. But this shit looks pretty nice. What do you think, JP?
Let's see.
Yo, is that Robbie?
Yo,
What up, Robbie?
What's goody, bro?
bro, fucking waking up at this time is something else. Let me tell you. After getting adjusted to London,
Don't you
damn.
feel powerful waking up at this time?
Bro, I used to do it every day. Then, like, I just felt like London had a lot more volume. But lately, dude, London has been ass. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, because we hopped off the markets. Now we're here in New York. Now we're getting more volume.
I guess.
On the 30-minute time frame on gold, brother. So if this trend line is valid, what price should do here is it should reject, right? And these risky buys we can sort of take them here, but the only reason I do not like these risky buys right here is because we can come and touch this. Oh my god, the baby.
Nah, it'd be like that when you have kids.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't want to get married or have kids.
That's so fucked
I
up.
respect everybody who has a kid, dude. I admire, honestly, I admire that, dude.
Maybe your stop loss was in the wrong place.
Here, no, this is just a trade idea. Price would have to get here first, before, like, price
It's gonna
hasn't-
go down.
Price hasn't even reached this area yet. But if price can reach this area, we can. What I'm seeing here would be breakout of this trend line to come and touch this whole area right here, 1644. But price has to come and reach this area first. And we'd have to break, this kind of low. So this trade idea, we could probably lower it right around here. This would probably be a little bit more valid. But this is just a trade idea but price hasn't reached anywhere near that. But on the 30-minute time frame on gold, it low-key looks like we can buy a bit more. If we can break this area right here, we should be able to test 1666, 1667 area. But we can also respect this trend line right here, just how we respect it here. I guess it tested this area. It tested the waters right here with the trend line. It tested it, rejected, melted. Came here, tested, rejected. Come here, tap, tested, rejected, and melted. So,
I'm gonna get an accelerator very soon.
Yeah, I have updated. I did add two sources to one of them. Do you know
Can you mute him?
It's a lot of noise. Damn.
No, there you go.
Dr. Pip, do you feel like the daily is going to close bullish? That would be a little bit concerning.
let me see.
Because we are tapping a major area.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna sell off.
Can the daily flip bullish? So we came and tapped this area right here, 1643, rejected. It could possibly flip bullish, but if we flip bullish, if we flip bullish, we could possibly. I don't see us flipping bullish, to be honest. If we do flip bullish,
Feel like it will break the lows or break 1643?
well, if we flip bullish, it's probably because of news. News probably was in gold's favor, but I don't really see us flipping bullish. Especially look at this daily retracement that we have here.
What?
We break below. We break below this area retracement right here. Broke through, tested this area. So I truly believe that gold can close bearish. on this daily candle. Now it closes in 9 days or 9 hours. I'm sorry, it closes in 9 hours. Oops, closes in 9 hours. So let's see. Also, we have this. Giovanni, could you make it that everybody who joins with their mics mute?
I think you could do that because you're the host.
Let me see.
I was trying to mute one of the people, but I couldn't. Yeah, it's pretty annoying, bro. Like, just be careful if you guys have your mics. Shit.
The real question is GJ gonna be consolidating and closing like that? That could be a possibility.
I'm very bearish on GJ, bro.
I'm bearish
You
too. on
actually
GJ.
bearish? You actually believe we'll actually come back down?
I think for scalpers, I think we could scalp our way down here.
Where do you see it coming down?
Here's a look at this, Eric. Oh wait, why isn't it showing? Oh whatever, I'll draw it up. I'll draw it up again. Let me see.
But overall, it's bullish.
Eric, look at this. Look at the weekly level. Look at the weekly time frame. Look at all these areas of reaction that we have here.
Yeah.
You know, we have here reaction, 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 reaction. Also, these same areas of reaction. Look at the daily. Reaction, reaction.
Where would you target? Where would you target if you want to sell?
If I were to sell, right, it'd probably be like I'd target these areas right here, these areas of support. Let me remove this one right here. I would target my areas of support, or I'd possibly even target, yeah, because here to here, I don't like this. I really would target these areas of support, but we're also kind of like this whole daily, on this daily range. Look at this whole range.
Do you like how GJ coming down choppy?
No, I don't like choppiness, to be honest with you. It's not clean. Like choppiness, with choppiness, yeah, you can catch 10 pips to the upside and 10 pips to the downside, but I like clean charts, you know. When we go, like we're here on this daily level, look at this daily time frame. How it's just choppy. It seems to be rangy, right? Look at gold on the daily time frame. Like you can identify its trend cleaner. Like yeah, there's areas where it seems choppy, right? Here, maybe here, you know, here. But overall, on the bigger picture, we can identify our trend pretty easy. Like we don't even have to set up our charts and our tools. We can just hop on, boom, bearish. You know, look at the 4 hour here. You know, it's in a downward trend. But GJ, look at the 4 hour on GJ. Let's see, it's just a whole bunch of choppiness.
Bro, I just like the only thing I'm really believing.
Look at this whole bullish
the way we're
momentum.
coming down. Like let's be honest, we tapped a major area which we should have seen a stronger reaction. That reaction was very weak. So it wasn't really a strong reaction. I was expecting like really like a fat ass rejection wick.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
4 hour close. Look at the 4 hour. It didn't really close with a big rejection. Because every time we did come to that area, we did see a fat ass rejection on the 4 hour. So that's the reason I'm a little bit like skeptical. Like, is sales possible today? Maybe, but I'd rather actually be with the trend than against it. Because I've got clapped before going against the trend.
Yeah. It just depends where your entry is. If you have a perfect entry and you're keeping stops where like price is almost impossible for it to go, then you're gonna hit. Most likely, you're gonna hit those 20 pips.
And also, I used to be like, a price is overbought. It's not gonna keep going up. Like when you think like that, like trust me, like I've seen price pump up crazy and we still keep pumping up. So you definitely don't want to just marry one side. You want to be like, you have to be open. Like if sales present itself, then I'll be open to it. But it's pretty tough right now to even know if there's gonna be a sell opportunity. I'm not seeing much momentum to the downside. You should have been melting if price wants to come
I
lower.
don't know, bro. Look at the 15-minute. Look, look. I'm gonna control the screen, JP.
All right.
I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing right now, Eric. If you go to the 15-minute. Oh fuck.
I think you have to request
Oh, I have it. Okay.
Fat W on the daily.
Mhm.
Yeah, facts. On
Okay.
there's a gold GJ. Dude, if we break out,
Alright.
if we break out of that area, I low key like the cells right there, bro. If we can
That's
break.
what I like it too, bro. Cause look, also this area over here, this is a 20 pip area right here. So if you grab your position, right? You have it right here. Look how it plays out. It's 20 pips, literally. Right? So if we keep stops up here, we keep stops up here, right? And then this candle is flipping and starts breaking this low right here. It's pretty clean. I don't know. That's what I see.
Should we set sell stops there at the lows?
But the thing is, I'm also looking at EJ. Yes, it's pretty nice, but look, I want to look at EJ. This is what JP. Do you see price coming up here right now?
To the area of resistance.
I honestly don't think it will. Right?
To where?
They're more riskier sells. Look right here.
Do I see price coming there?
Yeah.
So what I see here, let me take over real quick. What I see here, if we can respect this whole area right here, if we can reject this whole area, we could make this an area of support, right? Now, if this whole area right here is a range to me. I don't like this range, so I wouldn't want to trade this range. So if we can reject this area right here, I see those cells look clean to come and fill this whole area right over here.
Yeah.
So so to answer your question, do I see price coming up here to 144? It's very risky right now. I think it's too early to tell. I think we need to see cleaner candles.
4 hour closure.
1 hour closure, you said? Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour closes
4
in
hour
30.
two.
4 hour closes in 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I mean, dude, I don't know. I don't see why price should be tapping this area with this.
Exactly.
I think this is a nice rejection right here. I think this is nice rejection. So
What you think about the 4 hour?
if the 4 hour candle can close below this area right here, below these below these candle wick lows, I think we should be like in the clear for the sells, and the sells will be pretty valid. We could probably execute a position right around here. Not that high of a stop loss, of course, right? But like something like this. 20 pips, and I mean it's what you're seeing, Snipes, you know. But we need this. We would need this 1 hour candle to close below this area right here. 1 hour candle closes in 30 minutes, so if we can close below this area of resistance, minor area of resistance, we should be good for the sells.
Yeah.
So this is 4 hour. This would be based off the 4 hour entry, and this would be based off the 15-minute entry. So it looks pretty clean, if you ask me. Obviously, this is like looking at the bigger picture, where this would be your TP1 with your TP2 right around here, TP3. So this could be like a take profit 4 type of trade off the 4 hour time frames. So,
yeah.
Now, guys, we cannot forget there's news later. You know, so.
I don't know. I think it's valid to even take sells breaking lows, because now we're breaking and retesting this whole area of resistance that we have here.
Yeah, I do see
Hey,
this.
Jesus, we're not in a trade, Jesus. This is just a trade idea. Let's mark it up real quick that it's a trade idea, just in case. We don't want anybody to think that we're in. If we are in, you will see. We'll let you. You'll know. You'll know if we're in. Like
Oh, I think that's so clean on
we'll
EJ.
put the whole setup there.
You should get in.
Right now,
Stop loss is valid. Your
I
yeah,
stop
think
loss
that's
is above
so
the 4
clean.
hour.
Yeah, bro, that's super clean right there, bro.
it looks clean. But Eric, I think I'd rather wait. I think I'd rather be patient. I'd rather see that 15-minute candle close below.
No, but I'm talking about Dr. Snipe. He's liking the setup.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm liking so right now, bro.
it is a valid stop loss, bro. 20 pips, even 25 pips is valid. With 25 pips, I don't really think, like, dude, this stop loss looks like if you put 20 pips, it's gonna come and touch 22
All right,
pips.
I'm in.
You're
I'm in
in?
on these subs. Yeah, I'm in.
Fire. I think you're gonna win this trade, brother.
We are gonna win this
I
shit.
think it's very valid. I'm low-key gonna get in with you.
Yeah, it's too clean for me not to get in. If we get stopped out, then bro. But this is clean, bro.
I'm in.
This is the same play that I wanted to get in on yesterday. And hold on, I'm sending it to my chat boys.
If you wanna adjust, oh, is this your stop loss? Like, is everything how I have it? How you have it?
Yeah, that's fair. No. I have my stop loss at 0.11.
0.11.
Yeah.
Yo, Dr. Pip, what you think about Blue Forex?
What do I think about Blue Forex funds?
Because I did hear Emmett opinion. I just want to compare it, see if both of you
Dude,
guys
it's so funny. I feel like Eric is in a love-hate relationship with Blue Forex funds.
No, I don't know much about him, but I just heard from what Emmett's saying. It kind of sounds sus a little bit.
No,
You know?
I get where he's coming from. Like, I'm gonna be very honest with you. Like, personally, I like Blue Forex funds. Would I trade from them again? Yes. Would I buy their challenges? Yes. Right. Dude, it's just they're different, bro. We're not. It's not. They're not what we're used to. You know, we all have to remember that. You know, we're used to having a prop firm that is has been in the game for quite some time. FTMO has been some in the game for already some time.
Yeah.
Blue Forex funds is it's around the corner. They're in the come up. They're trying to make themselves known. I like the
Yeah.
fact that they accept EAs, like some like they're legit, bro. They're legit. They pay out.
What's their issue with the brokers? I heard a
The
lot of
issue,
people
I
complain
don't
about
know, bro. I wish I could answer that question, and anything if I whatever I
But
say
what
would be
happens?
based
Like,
off
do they
assumption. But
switch brokers or
they switch servers for some reason. They switch servers. I don't know why they switch servers, but they switch servers, like
like every day?
not every day, bro. But like from like when I started my phase 1 to when I was live, they've switched servers at least 3 times. So your first phase is with one server. Your second phase is with a different server. When you're live, when I was live, they switched servers on me. So I don't know why they would do that, bro. That's the only thing that concerned me. But after all,
You don't see
their
like, the
customer support
spreads,
was really
everything's
good. Their customer support was great. Like I was texting
Bro,
them at 8 in the
Bro,
morning.
Emmett was complaining about their customer support.
I don't know why. That's what I'm telling you. Like it's weird because look, here's another thing that happened with me and Emmett. So when they switched servers with me, they sent me my login credentials without me even realizing. So I tried logging. When I logged in, it said invalid account. So I look at my Gmail, they had sent me new credentials. Chilling.
Yeah.
Emmett calls me, he's like, bro, what happened to your account? I'm like, bro, they sent me my credentials to a new server. He had not gotten his credentials yet. So he had to wait like 3 days for his new credentials to the new server. So he was sketching
why did they
out.
do that? Why you have to
I don't
wait
know.
2 weeks to keep?
The second time when I was live, they switched servers again, and then when I go to look at my account, it said invalid. I call Emmett.
Whoa.
Emmett tells me, "Oh no, they sent a new server. They sent the login credentials. Did you not get them?" And it ended up taking me 3 days now this time to get my credentials. Do I think they're legit?
How many
Yes.
times have they switched since you really got with them?
While actively trading,
Yeah.
once.
Once? Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah,
But
once.
still, like those stuff does concern you. Like, there's no way you're like, oh yeah, they're good.
It does
It does
concern me,
concern
but
you.
I'm also well aware that just how they would concern me, YouTube, just how they would concern me. Um, at the end of the day, FTMO, they don't give you a real account. You know, they can
Yeah.
also
To be
say
to be honest with you, I think.
the
Listen,
best way
I
to
mean,
go about this
yeah.
is
Listen,
having 100 grand from your own money, your own capital, and with your own broker. That's the best way to
yeah,
go
yeah.
about it.
Well,
But all
obviously,
these
that's
prop
the
firms are
easiest.
fucking sketchy. Let's be real.
Yeah. I mean, their goal is to make you lose. That's the
And
like.
it's not even
That's
it's
how
not
they make
even
money.
it's not even to make you lose. It's more about like they know that chances are you're going to lose.
Yeah, they
I
already
mean,
know.
They
it's a
literally
business.
know. They're like a
Business strategy.
casino. A casino knows that chances are you're gonna
Yeah,
lose.
the house is always gonna win.
Exactly. They're the house. They're always gonna win. We're gonna fail, bro. We could literally. They can literally tell us. You know what? FTMO can say. You know what? You're supposed to get paid out $60,000, but guess what? We're not
But
gonna
we only
pay
want
you.
to give you this.
But we're only
Yeah, they
gonna
can
give
do
you
that.
this. Oh, you know what? We're
They
not
can
gonna
do
pay
that.
you. We'll give you a free retry, and we'll talk shit for a whole day, for a whole week, for a whole month. We'll badmouth them. We'll talk bad about this, bad about that. FTMO sucks. But then, when our paycheck comes in, or whenever we want to account, we're going to them. The first prop firm that we're going to is them. That's the same with like people just don't realize that like, dude, like what the hell is the difference between trading with Blue Forex Funds and FTMO? At the end of the day,
Same
yeah,
shit.
FTMO is new.
They run
Is
the same strategy.
they run the same strategy? They run the same. Their business is structured based off the same concept. Why are you
And I
tripping?
also feel like it's a new company. Like everybody when FTMO came out, they were like, oh, it's fake. They don't. It's not gonna fake people out. Then
Yeah, now you
eventually
have
over
less
time,
chances of getting fucked over by FTMO than by Blue Forex Funds because they're more reputable. But after all, Blue Forex Funds is cheaper. It's what are they cheaper? I think no, FTMO
as
is cheaper.
as long as
But
people are buying,
they're
there shouldn't
legit,
be any
bro.
concern.
I have a friend who got a payout from them, and they're legit. It wasn't much. He got paid out like 2 grand, but dude, a payout's a payout. He got his refund fee and ended up blowing his account the second payout. But they're legit, bro.
Have you got paid or not yet?
From Blue Forex Funds, no. I ended up that Blue Forex Fund account that I had live. I ended up blowing it. Remember, it was on like revival mode. It was down eight
Yeah.
percent. Yeah, I couldn't get it back. I mean, I was very limited, bro. I only had, what are we today? Today's 14th. My payout was today would have been my last day trading.
I
And
see. It was impossible to bring it back to like it.
yeah, and
That
I,
much.
bro, I'm not down to switch my whole strategy to
Yeah.
worry about one account when I have two other accounts. Why the hell am I gonna switch my strategy?
Would you real question? Would you buy another one and
Yeah, hell
wait for
yeah,
it again?
hell yeah, I would. I actually want to, bro. I wanna get a payout from them just to be able to say like, dude, I fucking got a payout from Blue Forex Funds. All
Would
you
you get
guys,
Did you get
everybody here
Nations
is tripping
500?
out about Blue Forex Funds. Well, I got a payout from them. Like, dude, that would be low key nice. Like, it'll give me reassurance. And remember, I told you I want to have a challenge with every single prop firm out there.
Yeah,
5 out of 10 will
it's
probably be
actually pretty good.
scams. 5 out of 10
You're
will
gonna learn a
probably be
lot.
scams. But guess what? Now I know that they're scams, and now I know not to mess with them again.
Would you get Nations 500?
Nations, hell yeah.
Or would
Nations,
you get Blue
bro.
Forex Funds? That's a good one. Which one would you
Oh,
choose?
Nations or Blue
That's a
Forest
good one
ones.
right there.
Look, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I dislike doing challenges, just cause like I already have live accounts, so I know what it is
No,
to
if you
trade.
have to, let's say if you want to test it out, which one would you go with? Blue Forex Funds or Nations? And don't pick a side because like that
Probably,
shouldn't.
probably is hard, bro. Probably Blue Forex ones. I'll tell you why. Cause I don't have to go through the whole process of buying crypto, holding it in my like waiting for the crypto. I buy crypto through
Wait, isn't it
Coinbase.
like 30 minutes? It doesn't take long
Dude,
to
I don't.
transfer.
I wish it were 30 minutes, Eric. The last two times that I bought crypto were like more than $500 worth of
You're
crypto.
buying crypto. I thought like you already have crypto.
No, the last two times I bought more than $500 worth of crypto, I have waited at least 8 days for my funds to settle in my business days. So I don't like waiting, bro. If I want to buy an account right now, why the fuck do I have to wait? I don't like waiting.
It's,
You know, And that's where I think companies in general, like if you make your customer wait, or if you have to put them in this position where they're like, if a customer wants something now, it should be available for them now. If
Yeah,
not, they're gonna go to another place
that's
and do
that's the reason
business.
why fast foods are making a lot of money because people want food quick.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
So that's what I see with
Service is everything.
yeah, exactly. Customer, but nations is lit, bro. If they can have that feature where I can buy with debit card, I'd buy challenges from them only.
Do
You
you
know?
want to know what's interesting? Is I heard your side from Blue Force Once and I heard Emma's side, and it's pretty interesting. You know, like you pointed out good things about him, and Emma pointed out bad things about him. You know?
Yeah, I
So,
like them.
but both of you guys had two different experiences,
We did, bro. It's funny,
which is
bro.
weird.
All Emmett wants, I'm all Emmett
Do
wants
you feel
is
like
to
you feel like
get paid
Emmett? You feel
out.
like
Emmett is
Emmett
on
was
the same boat
impatient?
as me. But Emmett is to the point where he wants his payout and he wants to run. You get me? Like
Or
me,
eventually,
I
I
can
makes
get a
sense.
payout from Blue Forex Fund and I'll keep swimming in the waters with them. You know? Yo, but we're up as fuck right now with this EJ trade. Snipes, a quick 800 bucks if I close now. I'm in 10 lots on this bitch. Ooh, what a nice trade, brother. What a nice motherfucking trade, my G. Oh, everybody's silent now. Are you guys in this trade? Are you guys waiting for the TP to smash or what?
Yeah, we are.
Bro,
I mean,
TP is
I'm in.
about to
I'm in. I'm
smash
in.
right now. I closed 9 lots. I left the runner.
I think once we break the lows,
I put
we have
another
a
one.
higher probability.
I'm back, boys. Damn. Sheesh. That was a quick one.
Yo, you weren't here the whole time?
No, I
No
was in the
way.
bathroom. Yeah.
Yo,
I was again.
you're
I
starting
was again
to
to trade some.
you're starting to develop the same strategy that dollar has developed, brother.
I don't know, bro. I like looking away when it, like, you feel me?
And guys,
Oh,
I'm very
by the way, I
visual.
put stop to break even here.
GJ's melting, so EJ should melt too.
Yeah, I was in 10 lots. I secured 9 lots and I have my stops to break even already. We didn't hit TP smash, but brother, to those guys who are waiting to hit TP smash, you gotta like secure profits. Remember, we have this area right here, so we can still possibly reject this area. I do see the take profit level area is very valid in my eyes. So to those people wondering why I
Guys,
did not wait for TP smash
guys,
to secure,
spam a one in the chat for TP1. Spam a one in the chat.
yeah, facts. If you guys got in this trade, look, bro,
Shit up, Snipe.
dude, this is a beautiful trade. I'll tell you why it's a beautiful trade. We traded
Break it,
before
break it.
news came out. Valid stop loss, valid take profit. We rejected an area of resistance. We like candles were price action was in our favor. Now we can literally sit down, enjoy the news, you know, and we could possibly even re-enter later if we find another clean confirmation on an entry. But the fact that we secured profits before news came out, that's fire.
Gotcha. It's discipline.
Discipline.
All right, I'm close. I just closed some here.
Great execution,
I feel like
Snipes.
we're gonna break the lows.
Just close some here. Yeah, it's
Momentum is
definitely.
way down.
It's been doing this shit lately, like not hitting take profit by like 1 pip. Like just fucking with us, cause they know where we're getting out, boys. They know that we want to get out at 609, but they want to test us.
Now the real question is: GJ gonna close below that level, or is gonna hold it as support? That's the real question.
But Eric, you see how we were like bullish, but then we were able to take sells.
Yeah. I mean, it's valid.
It's
There's
I don't know,
always
bro. It's
valid.
just shit that I just see it. Once I see it, I don't think twice
Dude,
about
did your
taking
take profit
shit.
not smash? I'm pretty sure your take profit smashed.
Yeah, I did. I mean, actually, yeah, I did a little bit.
It's gonna smash right now either way. It's fine.
No, it was a valid sale. I mean, you follow structure. You saw a price breaking instruction showing that sellers getting back in control. You waited for a retest. You say low. valid setup. Also, in the 4 hour, it made sense your stop loss where it's going to be at. It's going to be above the 4 hour candle. So if the 4 hour candles look bullish, you already know that your setup was wrong. So valid stop loss, valid entry. Easy. We should drive down a little bit.
Bro, just hit my take profit.
Wait, could you look at the left? Pretty sure there's clean traffic.
Bro,
These
look at
two-
that.
oh,
Look
yeah.
at that 1 hour
It's clean
candle.
traffic.
How sweet it looks, bro.
Yeah, we got exhaustion.
Like this is a
Ready?
type, look guys, if you guys have, look bro, to those people in this trade, this is a type of trade that you want to secure profits, leave a runner, and your runners are gonna eat, and if they don't eat, it stops to break even. You don't lose shit, but you secure profits, you grab what the market gives. I believe that we'll be able to fill this whole wick area right here. So
Yeah. I do see that.
I
Once
mean,
we break that wick,
yeah, prices
we
are
can
really-
actually push a little bit lower, possibly to 143
Oh,
flat.
There,
Oh,
I just hit it.
take
I
profit
just
smash.
I just hit it on my
Be
screen.
smashed. Let's get it.
Take profit smash.
Wait, Snipe, could you see how much pips is it for 143?
From where, bro? What's up?
143 flat. Like how much pips you can price come down to? We do have
Oh,
clean traffic.
yeah, we have clean. That's why I'm holding a running here, boys.
Yeah, I have a runner
What
as
up?
well.
Because we also got in on a sniper entry. So those sniper entries tend to give us a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 most of the time. Alright, let's see. We have clean range now to the downside. You see all this shit?
Yeah, the 143
Look
level.
at this shit. We're gonna. I mean, hopefully we don't go back to break even. But I feel like we're about to eat, bro.
Yeah, facts. So
Basically, momentum on your side.
I secured 1%. I don't know if you guys can see. Little 1% off 100K. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody's fucking eating off this. I hope
let
everybody
me
takes
see.
advantage of this trade.
TP2, look, TP2 would be here. 40 pips.
Type W's in the chat if you fucking ate.
Yo, I'm coming back to Miami this weekend. Who wants to go to the gym?
Hey, Robbie. Pull
Right.
up to
you down?
Doral, brother. Pull up to Doral.
I'm
We're
gonna
all
be in
here.
Kendall.
Dollar. You're gonna be in Kendall? It's gonna be
Yeah.
like 15 minutes away.
Exactly. I'll be
20
like
minutes
off like Miller on 107.
For sure. Pull up here to Doral Isles where most of us live. And, bro, you can slide to the gym with us.
Yo, slide out. Let's go. Which one? What? You go to LA?
I do go to LA. I have an LA pass. I have a
Alright,
pass
bet.
for everything. I
Molly,
just don't go.
Molly say so. It's your first time tuning in. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the community. Make sure you subscribe, like, you know. We just got a tape profit. We just got a dub
Yo,
off this Euro
That's
JPY.
not. Do you feel like EJ gonna respect that level?
Honestly, I don't really give a fuck now. But can I respect it? Can I respect it?
Yes, I can. I in my eyes.
Hey,
No, I'm not
you
talking
could.
about this level.
Oh, which level, brother? Oh, you sent something to the chat? Oh, okay.
Entry at the break of the wick. You gotta be careful with entering at this break of the wick, because if you break this wick right here to the left, you know what price could do. Price could make now new lower lows, right, and come back and touch lower high areas, and your lower high area could possibly be your stop loss area. So entering at the break of this, I wouldn't say it's too clean. What the type of retracement that we saw here, we would want to see it here. This is a type of trade that you're either in it or you have your runners in it, but let's wait for a retest and more confirmation. Also, keep in mind it's 7:50 a.m. We're nearing news, so we want the closer we get to news, the more careful we want to be before entering a position.
Yo, to answer your question, Eric, yeah, there could be reaction at that area. Just because we have previous area there of resistance, maybe we come and we could create it, a good support now. If that happens, then yeah, I'll definitely be getting out at break even. But I do want to hold this because I feel like there is more possibilities for it to run down a good amount. But maybe there could be rejections there, but it wouldn't really trip me out. I feel like there's
What's your thoughts on GJ?
On GJ? Let's see what's going on GJ.
Visions, what broker do we use? We use well, I use with when I'm using nations, it would be FX Live Capital. Oh, we low key, well, we'll keep it secret for now. But and FTMO and my Forex funds.
Aló.
Hello? What's up, brother?
Me trabaja ese coñazo.
What?
What
What?
happened?
¿Qué pasó?
I think he's talking on the phone or something.
Dude, this is the second time somebody comes in talking and it sounds like they're talking to us and then let me mute them real quick before. I think they muted themselves, so we're good.
What could happen here? I think we could reject here. We've now melted pretty good now. GJ was clean, bro. How much did we fucking melt on GJ? Holy shit.
Did we miss that move? 'Cause we were on
Yeah,
EJ?
look at what we missed on GJ. Even though we're eating on EJ right now. Oh my god.
Did I place that or you placed that?
I think I don't know who placed this shit, but look at this shit. This shit came down 70 pips. I did, right? Yeah.
Oh wait, I think our stop loss would have hit if that was our stop loss. But how many pips is that stop loss?
I'm not sure. This is a 20 pip
20
stop
pip
loss.
stop loss. So put 25 pips. Let me see something real quick.
We
Damn.
still would have gotten clapped.
No way, that would have been that type of trade that we get clapped by like, yo, look at GG. Oh my god.
But that's why I liked EJ, bro. I was looking at EJ the whole time. GJ was moving the same.
Look
But
at EJ
but look
go.
at this shit now. This is what you call sniper entry, boys.
You want it. This is my COVID guy.
Oh, look, I'm gonna tell you guys why I got in. Cause
So
this shit will help you out hella.
little testy thing, and the testy thing said,
Yo, mute him. Okay.
Mute him real quick.
So I'm gonna tell you guys why I got it. Right? If you guys look at this, you can literally see it from this 1 hour chart, right? So we came over here, right? We came here above. We started trading above this range right here, right? And then we're
Let me mute
bro,
him real
mute him,
quick.
JP.
Yeah.
This is J Keys. Okay.
Oh, he muted himself.
Just click on his.
Yeah, he muted himself, I guess.
Okay, good shit, bro.
Wait, did he? I think he
Came up over here, started trading over this range right here, and then if you guys notice here, there is a big bearish candle right here, indicating that price wanted to come back into this range over here, right? So basically, it's a fake out breakout. And it came over here. I saw this big bearish candle
I
right
don't
here,
think you're
closed below all this range over here that we had over here.
Yeah, I don't think
Right,
you're
closed
showing
below.
us. I don't think you're
Came
showing
up
us.
here. Came up. What?
I don't think you're showing us. You're not controlling my screen.
What do you mean?
Like you're just talking. I don't think anybody can see what you're explaining.
No way.
Yeah, try controlling my screen again. I think maybe you don't have access. Maybe you lost access.
I think. Yo, you guys could hear me, right? Or like see the
They
screen?
hear you,
I
but
could
they,
hear you,
they,
but I couldn't see the screen. I was just
yeah.
about to say something.
Now you can. Now try it.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'll re-explain it. So look, we're about to hit TP2 right here, boys. What was I gonna say? All right, came up here. Came into this range over here, right? But it didn't really last long over here, right? So what happened here is that we had a very weak bearish candle over here, engulfing this candle over here, right? Indicating that now we wanted to start trading below this range over here, right? So if you guys notice here, this candle over here was another key candle, right? It closed down over here where it was below all this range over here, right? If you guys notice this candle over here, this candle was bullish, right? At this moment over here, this candle was very bullish. So a lot of people were like, fuck it, we're gonna enter bias because people are really fucking dumb, right? So stop those guys out. Now ended up over here, closing weak bullish, right? Indicating that there wasn't too much buyers in the market, right? So now if you go to the lower time frames where I took this trade, right here, I noticed this candle here on the 30-minute, right? This candle here on the 30-minute was also key for me because now if you guys notice, this is a morning star over here, right? But if the morning star didn't play out, then it's basically faking out buyers, faking out everyone that got in over here, right? Especially if we close here. So I noticed that we were looking more bearish than before, right? Also because we rejected this area. This was a support, and then now we turned it into a resistance, right? So here, if you go to the lower time frames, which is a 15-minute where I got in, I was already starting to look for sells around this area, keeping stops above here. I was like, all right, where can I enter and have stops up here, right? So I found this area over here at the 800 level, right? I was thinking of taking sells, but when I saw this candle here close super fucking weak, you guys saw me that I was like, all right, this is clean. I want to get on these sells ASAP. I don't want to miss the move because I knew it was gonna melt, right? So I ended up getting in at this price where I keep my stops right here. I don't want to get in at the break. I don't want to get in anywhere else. I want to get in where I can have 20 pip stops up here. Because I know that there's more possibilities for it to come down 20 pips than to go up 20 pips. So yeah, that's why I got in.
I'm gonna have to mute somebody real quick.
And shout out to the 60 people who are here. Put a one in the chat if you guys caught this shit with us.
Yeah, Snipes, let me mute somebody real quick.
But
I wonder where they're from. Alright. What a trade, brother. Your TP2 hit pretty much, didn't it?
no, I didn't.
What's your TP2, isn't it? Wait,
40 pips.
Your TP1 is 20 pips?
And then my TP2 is 40. Don't worry, JKs, you're chilling. Daniel Duro said my entry was late. Damn, bro, if you got in all the way in the top, good shit, brother. I think you should be going live. If you got in over here, I want to see your strategy. Good shit, my bro. Thank you, Vaz.
Yeah, that was a good breakdown, brother. It was a great execution. I like how you knew a mistake you made yesterday and you came back today and you fucking executed, brother. Good shit. You really be doing this, Snipes. You really be sniping out here. You know what we need? We need to get, when we sit with Dollar, we need to get him to fucking give us those little buttons.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. That's coming later into the stream. Let's first work on our audio.
Yeah, little by little, facts. We can't even get our audio right now. I'm here wanting to add more audio.
Hey, did y'all remember to record?
Oh my god.
Snap.
Don't worry, it's fine. It's fine.
Don't worry, yeah. Luckily it's on the YouTube. Damn, yeah. Bruh. Dude, you know, I'm gonna have a whiteboard specifically for YouTube. So, like, you know, it's gonna have, like, reminders, like, yo, you know, do this, do that. Because I love whiteboards.
Dude, gold look like it's about to fucking melt.
Gold, yeah, I like.
Holy shit.
The problem that I'm having with gold, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having, like, this, I keep
weird feeling?
Weird feeling, yeah, in the sense of towards entry. Would I want to enter here and not have a nice stop loss, but if I enter here, I feel like I can have a cleaner stop loss. Like right around here will be a cleaner stop loss than entering here. Like because here we can just, let's be honest, we can just reject this trend line, right? But if we enter here, we can sort of feel this.
But do you want to know what I like? Look at the 30-minute. I like how price tapped 1659 and flip back bearish.
On what? On gold or GJ?
on gold on the 30 minute.
Yeah, I like that. I like
Looks
that 30-minute
clean.
candle. We can low key possibly get in at the break of these candle lows right here, but where would my stop loss be? My stop loss would be like right around. My stop loss would be right around here, 30 pips. But I just don't like it because look what we did here. We broke out of this trend line for about almost the same amount of pips and came back.
Do you feel like there's enough buyers will actually push price higher?
I think considering the time that it is, I think there's enough I think price can fake out right now, you know. I think we could see like a 30 pip drop to come back and possibly touch this area again. You know, and we're sort of creating this minor retracement right here. This is why I also like gold sells because we've look at this bearish momentum that we have to the
We broke
downside.
structure, technically.
We broke
Actually, we broke
structure.
structure.
We broke structure on the 30-minute time frame on the shorter time frames. We're retracing. We rejected, indicating that price does not want to go above this area right here. Look at these clean rejections.
Yup, I like it.
To come, and you know, we could possibly start to. We're testing this area, this trend line right here. So.
You feel like that trend line can hold?
This 30-minute, this 30-minute just opened up, and it seems like we're creating a nice top wick. I actually like that top wick. I might execute on these gold sells.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like it too.
You know.
I mean, even like if you risk like a small percentage.
I would probably. Yeah, so I already won with Dr. Snipes trade. So I'd get in if I were to get in this trade. I'd manage my risk properly. I'm not willing to lose more than what I made. I made a quick percent today, so I would probably risk 0.5%. You know, I'm losing.
You basically you're open.
I'm open. Yeah, if I lose 0.5%, I'm still up 0.5% for the day. So I rather risk profit money than risk, you know, the equity, the cash. So.
Yeah.
But even if I don't execute on these trades, it's still a fucking winning day. So, but I like these sells. I think they're valid. The only thing I like my stop loss, but I just don't know if 30 pips is enough, and I am not gonna sit here and put a fucking 40 pip stop loss. Although I think 40 pips is cleaner than 30, but I'm not gonna sit here and put. I mean, let's see how this trade goes. Let's put this right here, 30 pip, 1-to-1. If we can, if price just rejects this whole,
dude, that monthly candle is a monster. Holy shit.
New, what a candle. Look at the 30-minute. 30-minute looks nice too. Okay.
It would be the 1 hour flip too. But let's see. The problem is we got news in 30 minutes.
Yeah, dude, that news, bro.
Which I don't want to say it's not going to be a big impact. Like, I mean, it's not going to be the same as CPI, but it's still important data. So we are going to see falling. But the real question is, what's the chance of the 30-minute and the 1 hour flipping back bearish and continuing before the news? You get what I'm saying? That's the question you got to ask yourself. Like, are we going to be in profit or are we going to be in drawdown? Also, the stop loss, you already know how gold is. It's very volatile. It can easily spike up. And
if this fits, yeah, down. Exactly. Gold is that type. It's dirty Diana. You know, gold is what gold does. Hello, guys. First time here. What's up, Acuna? Welcome to the community. Freedom Trading.
good, Acuna? First time here. We just got a winning trade right now, but you'll definitely be in here for the next trade.
Dr. Pip, could you see how much the stop loss would be at the flip and stop loss above the wick?
At the flip, so at the flip would be right around here. And at the top of the wick,
Yeah.
12 pips. For 12 pips, you might as well put 15 pips on gold, especially gold. It's not a bad.
No, at the top of the wick, like I'm talking about, like the top one.
This one?
Yeah.
45 pips.
Yeah. But go down, how much would the reward be like if we break those lows?
Oh, if we break those lows, our risk reward would be, we could see this would be 45 pips right here. That would be TP1. But we have all of this. 112 pips.
Yeah, I'm open to it.
I'm open to it too, but you know, a lot of people over leverage and they go in 20.
You don't, like in gold, it's just one of those pairs you don't need to put too much to make a lot.
Facts.
It's just very volatile. It's like US 30, you know? You don't really need to put too much risk.
Go back to this EJ. Because I feel like we're potentially, bro, we could come down hella on this bitch. I think we're about to wick fill. We're about to wick fill this this candle right here. And if we wick fill this shit, bro, because this was the rejection we were talking about, Eric, remember?
Yeah.
It was here. We had rejection. Now if we come back down into that support, bro, I'm pretty sure we could break it, and then now we could fucking wick, we could gap all this shit right here.
We could also form a little range there in that area.
So I'm looking to get out fully at like 60 pips, and I rarely do that. But I'm looking to get out full at 60 pips. That's what I'm looking to do. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more here at 40 pips if we're able to come down here. And then yeah, hold a little bit more to 60 pips. And there I'll make a good percentage. Okay, but hold up, let me mark up here that we got out here. CP1 was here.
I have a sell stop, Dr. Pip.
You have a sell stop? Yeah.
On gold. I mean, you know, it's worth it.
Let's put gold, Giovanni.
Go.
I look, you want to stay eyeing gold right now because it's near our entry level.
Oh shit, my bad.
Just that 30-minute was so attractive.
Hey,
anything on gold sell on retail sales event? Let's see.
It might be mixed numbers, so. But overall, we like most of the data that came out this week was all like to support the Federal Reserve to keep increasing rates. That's why we just keep selling off.
Yeah.
Oops.
Dude, the dollar's fucking pumping up. You can already see it. No, but Dr. Pip, I like those sales.
What a great day so far.
Yeah.
Sheesh, 88 people in the freaking chat, man.
Yo, look who joined in.
88 people in the chat. We got 500 subs now.
Damn, thank
Come
you
on,
everybody.
boys.
Thank you everybody for subscribing. You guys don't know what it means to us. Like, this is our first week trading New York.
Yeah. We're currently 4 wins, 1 loss, I think.
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5, yeah.
80%.
Good week, bro.
80%.
That was a pretty good week. 80% win rate.
And not just on any week, on a red folder news week. You know, we had multiple days where there was red folder news. So.
Yeah.
Sheesh. We pumping, boys. Freedom trading, man.
Yes, sir.
We ready.
Yes, sir. We got 74 people right now on the YouTube. Shout out to all of them. Shout out to the 34 people who liked it too.
Could you guys all like it? Like this video? You know, we're here for you guys. And you guys are here for us. Like, support each other. Help us out with these likes. You know.
Bro, all you guys gotta do is like the stream, bro. That's all it costs.
Like it.
Yo, you about to get in with me, right? I know you want to.
That what?
Shit look clean. Are you gonna get in gold, so?
Yeah, I'm gonna get in 0.5%.
Bet. We gotta smack this shit. The dollar's pumping up. Data kind of gonna come out in 20 minutes. So, if we flip, I don't see a reason for us to come back. We're ready to retest it. So, our stop loss get hit.
Love y'all too.
Wrong.
Yo, even Patricia's in here, bro. Sheesh.
What up, Patricia?
Patricia, you guys killing the market. Thank you, Patricia. Much love.
Patricia
has been here. Patricia has been here for a while, bro.
Since day one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was one of the first people in my chat.
She's low key.
And now she's one of your first people.
She's low key grandfathered in. All right, guys.
Oh my god, this look good. Oh my god.
Hey, Emmett in here too. Your other goat. Hey, what's good, Emmett? Thank you, brother.
I'm in gold cells, guys.
I'm in gold too.
I got triggered.
I just smacked this shit.
Yeah, it's pretty good. That shit flips right now.
Bro, being in profit before the news too. Oh my god. It's gonna be nice.
Guys, remember, I'm only risking 0.5%. I already won with Dr. Snipes' trade. So there's no reason for me to be chasing, you know, all these pips, you know. Just risk 0.5%. Manage risk properly. We're gonna be in 15-minute news comes out, so let's play it safe, boys and girls. Oh, currently idea. Oops.
Yeah. We're also getting a nice rejection here on the EJ. We came here trying to come take me out of break even, but I got such a high entry that it might not even come to my break even.
Wait, did price respect that area, sir?
Yeah, it did. Look at EJ for a second.
Same thing with GU too.
Let's see what happened here on EJ. So yeah, look at this. You see? They try to stop us out, but we got in so high that they couldn't even reach to us. Look, they stopped out the people who got in over here. People who got in over here got stopped at a break even.
Wait, can you
pull
gold real quick?
Yo, we about to eat on gold.
Yeah.
Oh, gold is looking good?
Yeah.
Hey, good shit, brother.
I low-key like that stop loss a lot.
Exactly.
That's
like there's no why would price want gold if we're ready to retest it? And right now we're coming down. Yeah. We should break.
Oh, nice. Whoa. That's a nice candle open for the 15-minute. I wish it would have made it look at that little wick that it made. Nice.
1 hour looks clean. 4 hour, 2 hour.
Nice.
So it means they're gonna start crossing over here on EJ.
You should see volume coming in soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can see the volume coming in.
Facts.
It's looking pretty nice.
Also, volume looks like it wants to pump price in our favor, so that's a good indicator.
Pretty
Like
nice.
all I'm asking for is just to kind of be in profit before the news come out, you know.
What's stop loss?
Stop loss is 1659.565. 45 pips. Wait, is that a stop loss?
DXY pumping out. That's a good indicator.
Damn, that was a scary flip right there.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about this trade.
I mean, gold is like that. Like, it's just very volatile.
Yeah, that's why I don't even trade gold like that. I'm not used to it. But like you see, now it's starting to look a little nice.
Just the higher time frame look clean, you know. That's the only reason. Makes sense why we should sell. Also, we're going with the trend, you know. But listen, like when you're in a trade, you're in a trade, you know. You just gotta deal with the outcome.
Mm-hmm.
Big facts. That's why you have stop loss and take profit levels. You know?
We also gave our stop loss breathing room, you know. It's had a good area.
Especially for news. This is like news stop loss. What trade are we into, guys? Daniel, we're in gold sells at the moment. Dr. Snipes already caught his EJ sells. He secured profits, has a runner. We're not in. My runner is still in there. Hasn't hit stops to break even with the runners. So yeah, we're currently in gold.
And in EJ too. I have a few lots on EJ.
10 minutes news.
Yeah, I'm only risking 0.5% on this trade because I made it 1%
See a lot of
today.
volume right now. I like it though, bro. Like I'm not gonna lie. Like I actually am. Like it's an 80% chance of us winning this trade.
What's up, goats?
What's up, Emmett?
Where's Gideon?
Where's Getty?
How you guys?
Gideon, That's crazy that Emmett's name is not Emmett. It's Aaron. That's insane. That's insane.
Oh yeah.
I'm a
Very
scam.
volatile.
Emmett's name is
Oh
Aaron.
shit, and we got
Eat.
news in 10 minutes,
Oh, look,
boys.
look at what's happening.
No, we about to eat on this. It's about to get ugly right now.
In a nice way.
Facts.
Now I like it though. Like bro, like this is the setup I'll take 100 times. DXY is pumping up. Most likely fundamentals are gonna push price down. Close the weekly. So I'm pretty confident. I'm holding it, bro. Like, whoever wants to close, you can close, but
I mean, dude, this is a nice trade. I rather like if my stop loss is
it's one of those it's worth to put the money on it.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? All right, let me get my chart ready then.
Look, we're getting volume.
A lot of fucking volume.
Alright, let me control the screen real quick, Jake.
News at 8:30. Yeah. Let's we're in a trade before news is released, so let's see. At this point, I'm pretty confident with our analysis.
Stop loss at a good area.
So.
Bro, so much volume right now. Holy shit, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, it's hella scary just watching these
numbers are moving fast.
You guys gotta be careful. Is it red folder?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Fuck.
I mean, bro, if we're gonna be careful,
bro,
everybody should have stop loss set.
Yeah, my stop loss is already set. Actually, let me set it. What is it? 116.50.
In my opinion, we're gonna fucking mount. I don't give a fuck. Makes sense. We're gonna fucking mount.
If Eric says it's gonna melt, it's gonna fucking melt. Cause he's a fundamental
sense,
king.
Bro. It just makes sense. Like, there's no way we're gonna fly.
What are the fundamentals on DXY?
It's the core retail. It's basically like the cost of opening up businesses and stuff.
Okay, I figure. Sheesh, we got 85 motherfuckers in here, man.
The DXY is it's pumping. DXY.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, it's just everything lines up pretty clean right now. So, but as soon as we see a spike down, make sure you guys take some profit. This price most likely will like to work back up.
Eric, the way you talk about a trade, you make me want to get into it, dude. Fucking Eric.
I mean, it's up to you, bro. Like, you don't have to, but it makes sense. Like, this is the type of trade it's worth it.
I like that stop loss just because the stop loss is right. Like, dude, with red folder news, you can see volume fake out the opposing investors to just flip to the correct side. So, oh, let me mute this person.
Shout out to the 93. We're about to hit 100.
Where's the stream courtesy at?
I hope to see DXY going bullish. Yeah, bro. If DXY goes bullish right now, we're about to fucking eat.
Yeah, big facts.
Ten minutes to red from their news.
Alright, news in 5.
David, look at your phone. Look at your phone. I just sent you a message.
Come on, Gold. I know what you want to do.
JP, also fix the zoom camera for on the OBS.
Fix what on OBS?
The zoom cameras. Alright. Looking
Come
good.
down like a bullet.
I think the best thing to do with this trade, guys, I don't know if you guys want to do the same thing, is maybe stops to break even before
Let's
the
go.
news.
We're up 10 pips. We're up 10 pips right now. Well,
I think that's a smart ass idea.
I'm actually up. I'm about to be up 20 pips actually. Is it 20 pips already? Oh yeah, because 40
stops.
Yeah, guys. So if you guys want to close at 20 pips in profit, that's pretty much like a nice TP1. You know, you only risked look, if you got in at the entry that we got in, you risked only 8 pips to catch 20 pips. You could put, stops to break even if with this news coming out, because what's probably gonna happen is probably gonna close a lot of you guys out if news fakes out. And some of you are probably over leveraging. So if news comes to fake us out and go to the upside to then hit our trade, so let's play it safe. I'm managing my risk properly. I'm managing my. Huh?
What are you gonna tell the chat?
What do you mean? What am I gonna tell the chat?
We
The
should let
GP,
them
we're
know.
about it. This shit's about a mount.
Yeah,
We should let them know. Maybe stops to break even. What are you thinking?
that's what I'm telling them right now, brother. Did you not just hear me?
Alright.
What I was saying?
No, I know.
No,
but
stops
our
to break
chat,
even.
the Freedom Trading chat.
I'm not putting stops to break even right now, bro. Like, it makes no sense to put stops to break even. I'd rather hold my stop loss because I'm managing my risk accordingly. I'm already up 1%, so if anything, I'm risking 0.5% of 1% of profits made today. So if this shit wants to shoot up to the upside, that's fine. I'm okay with it. It's news.
Yeah.
This is what
I mean,
happens
it's one
when
of
you
those
trade
worst,
news.
the reward on it.
Yeah, I like the
It is.
risk to reward on this trade. So those that want to close, go ahead and close. This is exactly what I was saying. We're here, 20 pips in profit. We could come back to break even easily, especially on a red folder day. So you guys do what you want to do. I'm managing my risk accordingly.
Holy fuck! This is kind of nerve wracking.
Some scary shit. Gold bearish. Yeah, it is bearish. Currently, right now, it is pretty bearish.
We have 3 minutes though. I would love to trade under 1652.
I mean, if
1652.
we can close, if that candle can close where it's at, I'd be happy.
We're also battling that trend line too.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's like fucking eat.
Your
I
chart
like
is
this
really
trade.
clean, dude.
My what?
Your chart is really clean.
I like it.
Very
I
nice.
like this trade.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Oh shit, we're about to hit 100 peeps in here, bro.
Shout out to the 100 people in this.
Dar, what are you guys thinking? What are you guys thinking, chat?
If you give me one reason to buy, then it'll make sense. But there's nothing.
No,
Orlando said
the only reason we'll buy is because we're gonna fake the banks are probably gonna fake out sellers to grab a better entry than retail investors to then melt. I don't see why we should be buying. I mean, maybe we can. Maybe the only reason we could be buying is to respect this trend line right here that we have set right here. If that's to come
Bro,
back.
inflation been increasing. It doesn't make sense fundamentally.
News is out in
All
2
the data
minutes.
that came out is all bad.
News is out in 2 minutes, guys. So
Oh shit!
some of you
We're up
guys,
and ready to go.
some of you guys are at entry. Some of you guys are break even. If you guys cannot hold this 45 pip stop loss, manage your risk accordingly. Some of you guys.
Bro, that's
She's good. Bro, you gotta have balls sometimes.
Look at Emmett. Look at
Yes,
Emmett.
bro,
Emmett.
look.
Look at Emmett. Emmett is like, oh, he's like, yo, he's like, yo, I don't want to see. I want to see. I don't want to see.
Alright, okay, ready.
Bro, these news. Dangerous.
It's an 80% chance we're gonna melt.
Oh my God! Look at the volume picking up.
It's an 80% chance we're gonna melt.
Good luck, guys.
Holy fuck.
Like, we're about to hop on a roller coaster right now.
Straight 100 pips drop.
Put your seatbelts on, yes, sir. Put them on right quick. Because the ride's about to get fucking bumped.
Oh yeah, hey guys, if you guys cannot handle fast, get out. Like, get out now in profit while you
Whoever's
can.
sweating, get out.
Because this can either
Why do you
go
guys sit-
down or it can go up.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We eating.
Oh my
There we
god.
go, brother.
Come down.
Oh my
come
God,
down,
look
come
at the
down.
volume kicking in. Look at the
Oh,
volume
shit.
kicking in.
Wait, we got the news out. News is out. Oh shit.
Shit. Oh shit.
News is out.
News is
Margaritas.
out.
Margaritas were melting.
News is out. News is out. News is out. News is out.
All right, guys, I
Yo,
closed.
shit.
I closed. I left runners, guys.
JP,
This shit-
you're insane. JP, you're
Let's go.
insane.
I'm
If
moving.
you saying no way you got out right there.
Yeah, I got out. I left
Yeah,
runners. My runners. I left my
Alright,
runners,
so-
and I'm moving. Yo, guys, can you?
Hey, Santa, kom
Yo, who the fuck is talking, bro? Mute yourself. Fucking getting traded on the fucking red folder news, bro. I don't mean to be rude, bro, but like, damn. All right, fire.
Okay, so yeah.
I got
Stream-
yeah. Look, guys, I got out right around here. We were 20.
Just mute him. Just mute him.
I did. That is why I got out when I got out. I was up 25 pips, I believe, from entry. But guys, I still think this trade is valid. I closed with 30 pips in profit. With my runners I still have my runner actively running, but I'm gonna lower my stop loss. That I will do because news was already released. So if the news was already released and we see 45 pips in drawdown, it's probably because the trade is not gonna go our way. So let's put our stop loss to 25 pips. I like that as a stop loss. So guys, manage your trade properly. Some of you guys are in break even right now. If you guys are over leveraging, please manage your trade correctly. This trade is still valid. So I like it. Now we're trading. Look, this previous candle, 15-minute, closed below the support. This previous 15-minute candle closed below this area of support. Now we have, right now, at the moment, what it's looking like, this candle right here has a lot of volume in it. So this could be a fake out to continue down to downside. Remember, this also could be, I see us rejecting this trend line right here. If we can continue to reject how we're rejecting, so far I like how price is moving at the moment. Price is indicating to me that we're rejecting this trend line to continue to downside and most likely hit our TP1 within the next minutes. So let's just be patient, guys. Then.
Oh fuck!
Once take profit, one smashes. Make sure you guys put stops to break even, guys.
Damn, bro, JP close. I didn't close shit.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you, brother.
Wait, are you closing? Did you close Dr. or still holding?
I close. I have a runner. I got in five lots, and I have one lot running actively as we speak.
But I did move my stops to where JP said.
Yeah, because if price comes and touch, like, if we can continue to trade below this area of support, area of resistance, if we break that area of resistance and start trading above it, and we're already past 25 pips in profit, I don't want to get caught in a new range, which would be this. This would be my range too.
Yeah.
So I don't want to get caught in that range, and then, And remember, guys, I did say earlier, I was already up. Thank you to Dr. Snipes for giving us a fucking perfect-ass banger. So I was already up 1%. This money that I was risking was money from profits that I already made. So, I'll take another percent. So I'm up 2% for the day. I'm not going to risk a lot of fucking profit. Right now, what we're still seeing a lot of reaction in the news. There's a lot of reaction as we speak. The market is not yet settled with what's come out. Everything you see right now is just the market reacting to the news that was just released.
Bro, the numbers came out higher than expected.
Higher than expected.
Bullish?
So it's bullish.
It's
bullish for.
That means that dollar.
AP, where did you get out? What price did you get out?
Literally right there. Right there, literally. Oh, well, actually, I'll be exact with you. I got out at 1652.56.
Which 162?
1652.56. So I got in at 16. My exact entry is 1655.04, and my exact exit is 1652.56. And we only saw 10 pips in drawdown max. It's another reason why I closed, because I saw 8 pips in drawdown.
What you think about DJ volume?
Dude, I'm fucking in this shit. I'm not really looking over there. But dude, this would be such a nice banger here.
This trade is still valid. I like how we're rejecting that trend line. It's so clean.
In my opinion, should come down.
So
You
is
know
this
when I
fucking
start
around
to
what you
think
say?
that my trade is not valid, once my stop loss hits. Once my stop loss hits, I'm gonna start thinking my trade wasn't as valid as I thought. For now, my trade is valid. I don't care how many pips in drawdown I am. My trade still is valid to me. So now, just because I don't care how many pips in drawdown doesn't mean that I'm not gonna manage risk accordingly. But guys, again, I have runners on this trade already. I already secured 30 pips. So
Bro, what do you mean do my own stream? This is our stream. What you mean?
what do you mean? This is our stream, Freedom Trading Stream, baby. Did I say?
Yes,
Either
sir.
way, dollar went live like 3 hours ago.
Yeah, dollar, bro. You guys can catch streams with us for London session and New York session, and soon we'll do Asian session, cause we're them. You know, we're them. You wake up and you
We're
want to
him.
find them. We're here on YouTube live every day, Monday through fucking Friday. London
Himothy.
session. We're Himothies. We're a bunch of Himothies in this chat. You know, every single letter in the alphabet, we got those names with Himothies backed up with them. You know, we got Emmett Himothy, Dollar Himothy, Eric Himothy, Snipes Himothy, fucking Robbie Himothy, Zuli Himothy. I'll name everybody in this Zoom because we're all Himothies and Shimothies. Shimothies. Is it Shimothies?
Shimothies,
That's
bro.
the he's and she's out there, brother. It's not just guys trading,
Babe,
brother.
would you be care to call it Shimothy?
Shimothy.
Streamity.
Oh, DXY is pumping it.
That's what we're calling it today, boys.
Like, I'm just very confused.
Yo,
Why
this shit
we
better
don't go
fucking
down.
bleed, bro. I'm over
Yeah,
leveraged, like JP
And
said.
my EJ never stopped me at break even.
What did you guys do last night? Did you win last night?
Oh, my EJ runner stopped me out at break even. Well,
Stopped you
actually, but it wasn't break even. So what I've started doing is I've started like a little bit below break even. So
Oh, you moved it. Oh.
yeah, but with like commissions and fees, it stopped me out at a negative $21.
You,
What
you
broker
didn't
are
call
you?
a trade, Emmett.
Oh. Yeah, somebody was listening.
Where were you? That's the real question.
I was on Lucas' trade. I didn't take any trades. I was taking care of my profits.
You have to
Facts.
fucking be
Cash
here, man.
is fucking king.
You have to be here every night, every morning, New York Live. And dude, it's fucking for sure money. It's guaranteed.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yo,
but New York session
we're
is
finishing
a
off
lot.
the week with a 4 out of 5. Yeah, 5 out of 6 wins. I mean, 5 out of 6
this
trades.
stream.
5 were won, 1 was lost. We're 5 out of 6 for this whole week on New York. Just New
5
York.
out of 6.
What a
Damn,
yo,
what a good first week of trying
Oh my
this
God,
shit out.
if you slip and close, oh my God. Oh,
What a good start to Q4.
right? We really do
Yeah.
that. We really be doing that at Freedom Trading. And all of us are fucking beasts. Everybody's a beast. I know that all my Freedom Trading people, I know that they're managing risk properly. They're in this trade in profit right now. We're all eating. Dollar Loki's gonna invite everybody here to a nice dinner with his profits.
Can I get
What
you
the
guys?
fuck you mean,
This
dude?
weekend's about to be fire.
Dude,
If
When
you
are you
win
guys gonna
this
take
I
me
have
out?
wait, Emmett. So there's a secret that Dollar told me last night. He told me with everybody for the next month that subscribes to his Telegram, he will give back and take everybody out. Everybody. All 400 and all 500 people subscribed will be taken out by Dr. Dollar.
Before I went to bed last night, he said if you guys win both your trades this morning, he's gonna take you out to breakfast.
Yo,
No,
Dollar.
he said that. He said that?
I know he said
waiting.
that, but there's a
Guess
problem.
where we're
Dude, you
going?
guys just went 5 and 6. You can't even fucking feed me. Damn.
Pick us up, brother. Your car has a 2-seater, so if you get another car and pick us up.
No, I'll sit on top of JP. Doesn't matter. Don't worry.
It's lonely
Wait.
at the top, man.
I'd like to sit on top of you though.
Oh, dude, I
No.
just got stopped up breaking in. Oh,
I know you guys are fucking butt buddies over here, dude. This is why you guys wanted to stream together, huh?
Hey.
You don't have to tell anyone,
Yeah,
bro.
bro,
Are
what
you
the
saying?
fuck, dude?
Oh my god.
I think
that
I
sounded
think
so
I think
sus,
Dollar
bro.
is jealous. I think Dollar is jealous. He doesn't get to sit on any one of us.
He wants to. All right, bro. Come on. It's Friday.
That's why he invited Emmett to New York.
Oh.
Yo, I can't believe Evan's not going though.
No, he is going.
Yeah, drink your tea.
Going where?
New York.
You're drinking
You said
coffee?
you didn't drink coffee, Capper.
I don't.
Are you still in bed or you're in the couch?
What is that?
It's coffee.
That's
Bro,
coffee.
so my girl's parents, my parents stayed with us a couple weeks ago, and they bought that fucking creamer shit, the little cup stuff. And I just wanted to have a cup yesterday, so I had a cup, and it was fucking banging, bro. So now I'm addicted to creamer coffee.
Dude, you said you didn't drink coffee.
Yeah, dude, I had to.
Oh shit.
So we just lied to each other now.
We got a capper. We got a capper on the live stream.
All right.
We have a capper on the live stream.
Yo, GJ look clean for a while.
I don't want to go to New York still. My boy Brandon.
Bro, we could sip on some coffee in New York, bro. It's gonna be cold.
Bro, I just took time off of work.
We could put our pinkies up and shit together.
Hey, what up, Shivy? Thank you for showing us love, brother. Love back to you. And
You're
what
not
up,
trying
Brian?
to do this with me, Emmett?
No, I am. It's making me very sad that you're talking about it.
Hey,
Yo, shout out to the 90 people who are here on YouTube. Shout out to you guys.
Shout out to the No Sleep Gang.
Guys,
Facts.
Yeah, bro.
listen. We're gonna see the Statue of Liberty in New York.
Oh, yeah.
I see the
And
Statue
then
of
you're gonna be
Liberty
there
every
for-
day.
We're gonna go on that little ferry.
I see the Statue of Liberty every day. Freedom Trading Gang. If you ain't
Damn,
with
I
Freedom
want-
Trading, then you're not seeing freedom.
We definitely have to take a picture there.
Yo,
like
we
that.
must. All of us.
Yo, if we don't,
Nah, if we
No,
don't,
no,
that
we-
means we're not Freedom Trading Gang.
facts.
I want to go.
Freedom Trading Takeover.
You're invited, bro.
Yo, I still have my stop loss at 16.59. But the only reason I have it still there because you already know how
You guys are
gold is.
staying already?
Now what?
No, we don't know. We don't have our hotels yet.
I have a place already.
Oh, yeah. You're staying with me. Good boy.
Thank you, Brian. Appreciate that shit, brother. You guys are pretty dope. Saw you guys with Snipes. Since then, I've been tuning in. What a G. Thanks for the Armando said, thanks for the knowledge. You guys are the best. Thank you, brother, for
Armando.
staying here
Of course.
and trusting us. Martin said, what do you think about RSIs? Dude, I used to trade with RSIs when I used to trade stocks. Too bad I would lose so much money. But I don't know, maybe it works for a lot of
Already
people.
say hi to the live stream.
RSI is fire.
But it's fire if you know how to use it, exactly.
Yo, dollar, we need US 30 King to analyze US 30.
Got your 30 King right here. The name's John Paul Trades, man.
Change your name. Steve.
No, he's banned from changing his name. He's changed his name more than he changes his shirt, dude.
My name yesterday was some weird guy.
Oh, you're good. Okay.
Bro, let's see what's going on here with EJ.
I think we
Bro,
might just
GG
bounce off this
GG's
trend
gonna
line, boys.
fly. EJ's gonna fly.
Yeah, like we got stopped out at break even. So we hit take profit and then fucking went right back up to break even. Sniper entry, sniper exit, boys. One on.
Yo, Emmett, are you looking at GJ?
Huh?
Are you looking at GJ?
Nah, bro.
What are you doing?
Just hanging out. You want to come out?
Look,
Nah.
this trade played out too. This was a trade idea, boys.
Damn,
We never
bro.
executed here, but this shit played out.
Come on, bro. I don't want to trade any.
Look at this.
I don't have the brain power for it. But I think TJ is doing a break and retest right now. It's about to whip it higher. It's literally exactly.
Even the 4 hour.
I think it can.
Looks like it's about to explode.
Good, baby. Don't spend your money on that shit.
Look at this.
No, don't
It's
want
not gonna
that.
be that great.
No, bro, that's bad. That's bad.
That's not gonna be a raise.
I don't want any more designer shit, bro. That's for fucking Forex rappers.
Yeah, Tita, yeah, we're streaming every day, every weekday. So Monday through Friday, we're hopping on here at 6:30 in the morning, Eastern time, and yeah, it's been our first week, and for now we've been getting it. We've won 5 trades out of 6 for right now. So hopefully next week goes good as well. But you're more likely to stay here, and I appreciate it. Hello, would you guys be live streaming next week? Yes, sir. We're gonna be live streaming every day until we're 50 years old. No, I'm kidding, but like, yeah, for a while.
Until my eyes fall off.
Eric.
What?
Sharmuta.
Show love on Zoom. Drop a
What
like.
does
How you
Scarmuta
know that?
Dude, my girlfriend's there. Or what do you call that shit?
Amir, are we still having the same issue on online?
Yeah.
I also know Hullas.
No way.
Hullas.
أنا إحكي عليك شوية.
Sway.
That's like a kutala.
Nah, Dr. Fake, don't do that.
No?
Yeah, it's disrespectful, bro.
I said I love you all.
أنا إحكي.
أنا أحكي.
أنتي حلوة.
أنتي حلوة.
Is your girl from Egypt?
Egypt, yeah.
How do you know? By like what I'm saying?
The Arabic accent.
Oh shit!
She's actually Cuban, bro. She
Dude,
swears she's Arab.
No, my dad.
Dude, she's
Are you
super
serious?
white. She's
I'm
super
Cuban
white and super
Egyptian.
Cuban.
She's Cuban.
I don't see the Egyptian resemblance.
Cuban Egyptian. Holy shit.
I actually look like my dad, which is Egyptian.
Her name is Princess.
Like my mom has blue eyes, so I look nothing like.
But are people
Yeah, Amira.
are people like in Egypt like really white like you, or
Yeah.
are they darker skin
Some are
tone?
White and brown, bro. Like,
White and brown, bro.
Well, yeah,
Just
but
like
I'm from
Cubans.
Ecuador, and in Ecuador you don't see a lot of like really white people. They'd be more gringos, you know, if they're super really white. But there's more like Indians out there, like indigenous people, you know.
yeah, I get you.
Dude,
Are we looking on gold
it's
here?
like that everywhere though.
Get a
Like
fucking
Cubans,
clap.
it's like black people.
Oh, damn, my runner.
And everywhere, dude.
What an exit, brother. What an exit. Good shit, JP.
You woke?
That was dirty as shit.
Yeah. Now, guys, if you guys are wondering why I got out, where I got out because I was 30 pips in profit. I was very cautious with this area right over here. Look at the reaction that we have to the left, right? We have some reaction here. I wouldn't say it's clean enough reaction for me to confirm my exit point, but the fact that we rejected here on this area where there's a lot of reaction to the left, right? It made me believe that maybe price doesn't want to come and fill this whole area over here. Now, just because, remember, originally when I got in this trade, it was with a 45 pip stop loss. So to those of you who are still holding that 45 pip stop
still
loss,
holding.
it's still valid, because what we could be doing here is either we could be ranging or we could be forming a lower high on the or this still could be a part of the lower high because we didn't break previous lows. So we still could be in that lower high
My
formation.
runner's still in, though, boys. My runner's surprisingly still in here.
Because I mean, if our stop loss at the top get hit, then me and Price wants to go higher.
Yeah, for me
Which is
to
gonna
for
bring
me to
structure.
switch my bearish bias, I really have to see 45 pip, you know, drawdown. But
Amelia, you can unmute.
Who's on floor? Who's on floor?
let me see
They're
something.
cousins?
Damn, R.I.P. my
No.
runner.
Also, I had this other trend line. I don't know if any of you guys noticed. I think more in the beginning, I had this trend line that would come from here to there. So this is another thing that I'm looking at. Apparently, I believed that this trend line was valid, right? We broke out, and then now we're tapping back into that range. This could be the retest candle, or we could see a little bit of a retest to continue to melt. But with this other trend line right here, right, it still looks clean for the sells. So however you want to set your trend line, however you think is valid. Let me see. I'm just gonna leave it where it was originally. I still like
Also,
this.
the way the 30-minute we talked about how, like, you know, went up, tapped that area, flipped
As
back,
long as we respect
bearish.
these previous candle highs on these time frames, we should be good. So even if price wants to come and test this area over here, 40, that's why 45 pips I think is pretty clean. Cause
Yeah.
I'm still up as fuck from that EJ, bro. Shout out to you, fucking fuckity.
Yeah, that.
Lagartija.
That's the new name for you, brother.
Spaghetti, spaghetti.
Fuckity.
Yeah, my runner just got stopped, boys.
Yo, I'm gonna start.
That's all right.
I'm gonna start passing challenges.
Up as fuck, man. I don't know about all that, baby.
Shut up.
Are you ready for that? You've been trading for like a week.
Hello.
Yeah, everything just came right back up.
Yo, it's crazy how GJ bounced.
Yeah, you
That's
see.
fine. Guys, that's fine, bro. We caught our banger, and now we get to fucking go into the blues, like we always do.
Big facts.
No, but Eric called this shit. Eric knew that there was a rejection area here. That was the reason why we got out.
It was pretty clear, like, you know, just forming like a little momentum to the downside, go higher.
Nothing.
Pretty good. Now we start coming above this area over here, and we start breaking these highs. Especially if we start getting some closures above these areas here. I think prices now start coming bullish again.
Yeah.
Right? Let's see what happens here. Look, you see, now we're flipping here on the daily.
Looks like we want to close up.
You see, it looks like now we wanna.
I'm still not bullish on EJ. Even if we trade above that,
Yeah.
well, we'd have to trade above that range and break out of those previous, highs, because look, zoom out, go to the weekly. Look at all that. We're on an uptrend. I do believe we could be creating, because look, it's pretty clean how we're creating our higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. But right now, let's see what it does. Let's see if we reject that that area. So
Bro, the end is weak, bro.
you can still catch some pips from here to here, no?
Holy shit. Egypt's 4 hours crazy if we close like that. Holy shit. That shit look clean as fuck.
$8. You didn't think I was gonna wake up, huh? I didn't even go to sleep. I got home like at 6:05, and I set up everything at 6:20. You're mute.
How did I think that you weren't gonna wake up if you didn't sleep, sir?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Dude,
go to sleep.
yesterday you scared the fuck out of me, dude. I was literally on my way to your house, dude.
I don't know. I was doing it on purpose. I wanted you to wake me up personally with a good morning.
Good morning.
Yo, Dr.Snipe, what you think about GJ 4 hour close, getting in on the next hour, bottom wick and flipping back bullish? I think that looks clean.
For EJ?
GJ.
Oh, for GJ? Let me see.
Guess we're gonna have like clean range going up, like 180 pips.
This 30-minute open was the same exact trade I took on GJ 2 days ago that hit that fucking, like to the T, the exact entry, the exact break and retest, the exact MA tap, the exact divergence, the exact fib zone, everything.
Yeah, we could potentially start coming bullish here. Now that we're closing super weak bearish here again, we rejected here from this area here, creating all this area here, making it a support, right? And then maybe looking for those higher highs. You see how we've been in a higher high, lower high structure. Potentially we could start looking for those higher highs now that we rejected here from this area. So
I think the 4 hour closure in 5 minutes, next 4 hour bottom wick.
That's the overall view. That's pretty nice. You guys teach a strategy? Yeah, I have my own strategy basically. I'm dropping a course in a few weeks. It should be done in a few weeks. You could add me on Instagram and I'll be staying tuned on what's going on with that. And also you have Dr. Dollar's course, which is already out.
Bro, we don't gotta promote that, sir.
Yo, Dollar.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for your course, bro. I need to better my trading, sir.
Yeah, me too, bro. What the hell's going on out here?
Yeah, I already pre-ordered it.
I already pre-ordered it.
You already pre-ordered it? Fire.
I pre-ordered it on all platforms. I low-key want to buy them all just in case it sells out, so then I could just resell them for like fucking. I'm just kidding.
Yes, bro.
Damn, you guys are gonna resell my shit now.
Yeah.
Good shit. You guys are definitely gonna make a bag.
Bro, Egypt's ripping.
Hey guys, US 30 just broke the 1 hour.
Oh shit, US 30. US 30 seems to be in the same area.
Yeah, I was gonna say Nas was looking good.
I don't like US 30 yet. I mean, it's still in the same area that it's been for the past hour that I've been seeing. Yeah, we had this whole push, but
The real question is, that push gonna be long-lived?
we want to see US 30 break above these highs right here. Once we start to break above these, this area of resistance, then we could possibly start to execute our trade.
Yeah, I like that.
But
gamble
this is pretty
candle.
nice because on the 4 hour we have a lot of bullish momentum with the little retest area, this retracement area to break above. So we already missed our entry right around here. If we wanted to get in to catch it up to up here, which is up like 100 points, 50 points or something like that. But you want to catch the bigger moves, you know. You don't want to trade from here to here. It's like such bad risk to reward. We also have this trend line over here that I have set up. So the cleaner reward side is towards the downside, unless we break market structure. Once we start to break market structure to the upside, then we could start to possibly see higher risk to reward on the upside.
My God, EJ.
Dude, did you see EJ? Holy shit.
Flying.
What
Clean
happened?
as fuck.
EJ's fine. Dude, we
Bro,
got
I'll,
out
like,
so good.
just, bro. I'm gonna be bullish for a while, bro.
We got out right in time, bro.
Shit. No.
Well, how many pips did we catch on EJ? 50, like 27 pips, 30 pips? We saw 30 pips profit, but we ended up catching like 20 pips.
Bro, EJ's flying. Oh, we got the 4 hour closure in 2 minutes on GJ. So let's see. Damn, one candle, 100 pips. It's crazy.
$100 pip candle on US 30?
On GJ.
On GJ? No way.
Yeah. It's just crazy, bro.
JP,
Yo,
are you guys leaving on the 10th or 11th?
11th, first thing in the morning. So like 5 o'clock in the morning, we have to be at the airport. Are you looking at flights right now?
Yoski,
I just already told my
why
girl
is
we're
everyone
not.
so silent, man?
Wait, what you tell your girl?
No, we're out.
Oh shit, I'm an idiot.
Also, you're
I'm
out to
muted.
New York?
I don't think so, but you never know, dude. I like to be sporadic.
Sorry, dude. Ow.
Have FOMO.
Bro, you have to pull up, Andy.
I like FOMO.
You're cutting out hella.
Who, me?
Yeah, there we go. Now you're chilling.
Oh.
Hey JP, it was my fault. I was in that US 30 trade. I was trying to get to
What do you mean
to
it's
finish
your
the
fault?
challenge. I was $120 short when I exited, but I took that little run up the break structure on that gambler candle on US 30.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and ran it up, and I was like, I'm $120 away from a 100K challenge on.
Passing? Oh shit, good shit, brother.
Yeah, on 2 days. Today's like day
just
two.
Just be
and I'm
careful.
$120 away.
Just be.
Good shit.
Oh, I'm out.
I think you. Oh, perfect. Okay, I was about to say.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think
done
you
for the
got
week.
it. Just
Yeah,
always
it's
be
over.
careful with that. With those. It's always those little $120 plays that you need to catch that end up bringing you down like 0.5% or something like that.
Yeah. So
And
that's what I'm sitting on.
it's just because your psychology though, bro. It's like, oh my god, you're about to get there, and then like you start overthinking your trade or maybe taking the wrong setup. But dude, I mean, if you can get that far, bro, that means you know what the hell you're doing, and it's all about discipline and concentration at that point, and not really looking at the dollar amount and paying attention to the trade you're taking.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I closed it. I only needed $127, and I was like, nope, I'm not even messing with it. Close it out.
Might as well, right? Might as well get a trade that goes straight into profit, because at the end of the day, our trades that usually hit bangers, bro, we shouldn't see drawdown. We're taking breakouts, we're taking retracement trades, we're taking impulse entries that usually need to go straight into profit to win, right? Sometimes you're going to chill around entry, which is okay to hold then, but usually in drawdown means that we're usually back in the range, or like on that gold trade. Like the reason why we went into drawdown was because of what? Because we started to tap that trend line and started to come back above the trend line. You get me?
Yeah.
So that was why we managed our risk on that trade, but we still made profit on that trade,
Yeah, good shot, guys.
Well, I didn't, but John Paul did.
Right, I watched him because I was like, he's going to do it before news. I didn't get in that trade.
Yeah.
I'm not built like that.
But like either way, even though I didn't take profit, I closed some at break even, and then I moved the stops a little lower, so I really didn't lose like a lot. And then we were eating up that EJ trade. The EJ trade really didn't need any risk management, bro. We just saw straight fucking profits on that one.
Yeah, that was a good trade also.
Also, Terminator. Also, I think
Terminator. Yeah, that's fine.
You remember, Dollar? You knew that when I told you that, like I don't know how many months ago.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hey,
I don't
bro,
know.
You're here to kill
What's your name, brother?
Daniel.
Daniel. All right, fire. Someone say
everybody's Daniel, so
I don't want to.
Daniel Savage.
Hey,
Daniel.
Terminator's better, bro. I like Terminator better.
Thank you.
You'll be back.
You'll be back.
I'm always shooting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all it takes.
Well, I'm gonna call it a stream here, bro. It's 9 a.m. Love you guys. I'll catch you guys later. I swear to God, I say bye to you guys like 4 times a night, but
I know. This is more like this is more like an I'll see you later. You'll probably
I just love you guys, man. I love you guys. I love watching you grow, and I love watching you put in the work every day, man. You guys make me proud every day, for real. I'm glad to have you guys part of the team, honestly.
Yeah, ever since you started New York Stream, you've cut my sleep even further down than it was before. So thank you for that, Dollar. We appreciate you.
Yeah, anytime. Hey, but it's John Paul and Dr. Snipes chat. Put a one in the chat if you guys fuck with JP and Dr. Snipes being a part of Freedom Trading now. Let me know. We'll be waiting until I get at least one.
At least one.
Shit. All right, there we go. We got a couple. That's beautiful. I can go to sleep now.
Wait,
Happy.
you're not down to have breakfast? We were gonna treat you to breakfast.
Bro, don't start. You do this to me every fucking time, and you know I hate getting out this early in the morning.
But we'll pick you up.
No, I still have to get up and out.
I mean,
bye.
It's Friday, brother. Like
get out.
It's a brand new world. It's a brand new day, and the birds are chirping. We just fucking secure profits. Like we want to treat you to fucking a nice little breakfast.
No, bro, you're gonna treat me to breakfast and dinner time because that's my breakfast.
Let me tell you something about my culture, chat.
This is dinner right now. If I go eat right now, it's dinner.
Let me tell you something about my culture. So from where I come from, when you invite somebody or give somebody something, it's bad manners to reject it.
No, real shit. And sales too.
That just goes to show these Americans are uncultured, brother.
Damn.
No cap.
I'm American and I'm proud.
Bro.
No,
I'm sorry. I take it back. I'm American.
Ecuadorians.
No, that's what happens with these Venezuelans. These Venezuelans come in here and they can't.
I'm not Venezuelan. I'm American, sir.
You're Venezuelan, brother.
Freedom trading, liberty, baby.
You're part of Maduro's team.
No, bro. You're part of the selva, bro. Tarzan up in here. Ecuadorian Tarzan.
Yeah, I got my hunting stick right there in the back, so.
Yo, bring it out, bro. Show the chat. Dude, This is what he puts up his butt every morning.
This is what I go and catch my meals with. You know, I see
Fuck out of here, dude.
rabbits, squirrels. You know, frogs.
Yo, but we're uncultured, right? We're uncultured. This guy has a fucking stick that blows little arrows, bro. Like, and they're actually venomous, dude.
What?
Yeah, they're venomous. He poked Botero with one of them, and he had a freaking little. You know how when you get burnt, and you get like that bubble. He had that for like 4 days. 4 days, and it stinged and burned.
Yeah,
This is what John Paul Trades does for his friends.
No, that's not true.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
it.
He doesn't buy dinner or lunch or breakfast.
Oh yeah.
And he shoots them with arrows, brother.
Dude, is that all those
But
times?
it's okay.
All those times that I don't buy dinner and lunch, it's because my piggy bank is growing, guys. So, you know, that's why I don't buy dinner and lunch, because I'm trying to get
the gun. I might put you in jail.
Yo, that's not true. It's not even a gun.
That should be illegal.
It's not
Dude.
even
I
a
don't know how
gun.
they let you put that shit on the plane.
Dude, I brought it right through TSA.
Yo, Doctor Pip.
Yo.
Look, check out what I sent.
All right, I love you guys. Have a good night.
Wait,
Hey,
so
brother.
just start. Oh, he left. He didn't even give me a chance to say start getting you ready.
Bye, JP. Bye, J. Eric. Bye, Snipes. Bye, everybody else. Love you all. Bye, Dave. You the man.
Hey, y'all, take it easy. Have a good one.
Peace out, Aaron.
Fine. Bye, guys.
Peace out, Emmett. Yo, where'd you send it to, Eric?
I sent it on Zoom.
Right here.
If everybody's wondering why EJ and GJ is flying, look at this. Wow, like look what's happening to their currency.
Oh shit! Yeah, look.
You're getting wrecked.
Mounting. It's mounting right now.
So I'm definitely bullish all day on GJ. Why would I trying to sell UJ too? I mean, UJ's crazy, bro. You just flying pretty insane.
UJ's been flying for like a whole year now. UJ's been crazy. What was I gonna say? Yo, JP, get Martincio to be a moderator.
All right.
Do you have access to that?
Maybe. I think so. Let me see.
Yeah, he deserves it.
I don't get it.
The 4 hour flip would have been nice on
Oh
GJ,
my
but
God.
stop loss would have been too big. It's not worth it.
Alright, put the chart back up. Alrighty. We're gonna be here for about 20 more minutes. See what's going on with the markets, and then let's see what we do. Can either stay here for 5? Nah. Either we stay here for 5 more hours, or we don't leave, bro. I never want to leave this shit. Only if I get really hungry, but I never want to leave.
God damn, GJ.
Big facts.
Yeah, it's fun to trade with you guys because when you're by yourself, you're just sitting there looking at monitors, and
Yeah, it's boring.
it's
I like
boring as all
drawing.
out. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just boring. But I'll start taking some of y'all's trades because I used to just trade US30. I don't trade EJ and all that other stuff that much. I took Emmy's trade the other day, but that one he called the first day, I took that one, and then
God damn, GJ.
Oh shit. No, we've been killing it here in New York. I'm a London trader, but now I started trading New York.
yeah, I've been on every one of the New York sessions. I've been on till the end, beginning to the end, or all 4 days, 5 days.
Fire, but appreciate it.
Yeah,
Our first ones.
yeah,
The first
y'all.
ones.
I like y'all. Y'all are cool.
Fire, bro. Thank you, bro. You too.
Plus, y'all kick it with dollars soon and Emmett.
Hell yeah. We gotta. You're here from Miami, brother?
No, I'm in North Carolina.
Oh, North Carolina. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's chilling. Is it cold up there? I heard it was cold as shit up there.
Yeah, the temperature tried to drop down to like 50 something, and then next week it's gonna be in the 30s.
Sheesh, that's cold.
Then, but then it's psychotic though. It'll go back up to 70 or 80 the very next day or so.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Damn, that's even crazy in Miami.
Yeah, but no, I like Miami. I'm always down there messing around. I got family down there.
Oh, fire. Just let us know whenever you're here, bro.
Oh, definitely. I'm definitely gonna look y'all up.
Yeah, bro. We have a lot of meetups here and shit. Whenever we do something and we want more people to come, we just let anyone come.
Yeah, I may fly down whenever y'all do one again.
Fire.
Yo, Dr. Pip.
Yo.
I need your help with gold analysis. Could you check out my analysis and let me know if you see it valid or not?
I got you.
Since you know so much about gold.
All right. So this is on the 2 hour. Do you really like that 2 hour? I've been noticing that you have that 2 hour.
That 2 hours looks fucking crazy, bro.
The 2 hours.
But it takes time to set up. That's the only issue. You know, you kind of have to wait.
But when it sets up, it's pretty clean because, like I said the other day, between the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you know, it's right in between. It gives you more factual data with where price is at. But right now, if you look at gold, you see where when you had your mouse at that area, that's like a nice area of support that it's at, right? If we trade above it, support. We trade below it, resistance. 1660 is a very key area. So if we reject that, to be honest with you, we've already tested it a couple times. So I don't see why we should continue to rally up, especially when we have more bearish momentum. We can start to see also little trend lines that could be valid as like, for example, right here, that we could come and reject. So, I gotta hold it. I'm not an artist,
I see.
you know? So we could possibly rally up just to about this area right here. We're starting to trade in this little range area as well, so we don't want to be caught in that range, or we don't want, if we're not in this trade, we don't want to start, we don't want to get caught. If we're not in this trade, we don't want to hop in and get caught in this range, right? This whole area right here. Look how far back it goes. And this is on the 2 hour, right? So we want to be careful with that. Also here we seem to have been forming a nice little rangy area as well. So if I were to want to get in on this trade again, I would want to see us break these lows now, because you know, just because we break this area doesn't mean that we're gonna come in all the way to this area of support.
Do you obviously prefer for price to push up higher and give you a better area to sell off from?
Yeah, I want to see price push up at least to like this 1670 area, possibly 1665 area. If we can reject that 1670 area, I don't see why we should keep going up, especially with this 2 hour trend line that we have set up here. And plus we keep testing this whole area between 1660 and 1620. We keep testing that. So I truly do believe that gold should hit 1640 area again. So let's wait. This is probably a move that what could happen, what we could start to see since it's Friday, we could start to see gold starting to close in this range, and then market open Sunday continue to melt to 1620 area.
That makes sense. So you basically, the daily closure for you, it's important to know what to look for.
Oh yeah, let's look at the daily right now. Let's look at the daily. Oh, I gotta exit here.
Also the weekly.
hide all my drawings real quick. Yeah, look at the daily. The daily looks pretty. We have all this bearish momentum with some retracement right here, as we can see. This whole area right here. Look at that retracement.
So that area that should be respected if we're bearish.
If candle can close below this this range that we're in this area of support, right? If candle can close below there, we should be good. And as long as we can continue to trade below that range, we should be good for to come and fill this whole area right over here.
Do you see gold breaking a new low?
Do I see gold breaking a new low? It's too early. It's too early to tell right now. I'd be speaking based off bias. I do have a bearish bias on gold, and I do believe that we'll come and touch 1600 areas. 1400 areas seems a little too soon. First we have to break through 1600 area to go and be able to say that we're going to see 1400 levels on gold. But for right now, do I see price making new lows? More than likely, especially if we can come and break through this area. And when we go back, also the reason why I think that is because of this right here, this trend channel that I have set up here. I keep bringing up this trend channel, but it's so clean. It's so valid.
Was that on the higher time frame? Oh, yeah.
This is higher time frames, literally.
That's why it's strong.
And when we go to the weekly, it's also valid. So you can literally identify your highs and your lows pretty clear. Like you got your lower high over here, you got your lower low over here, you got your lower high over here, and it coincides with the top trend line and it coincides with the bottom trend line. You know?
Yeah, it's pretty accurate.
And now you have this one over here, and then your lower high on this side over here. So look at what we've been doing this whole time, right?
Bouncing.
We've been repeating the same pattern, so that's what we're most likely be able to see. If we come and touch this area right here, 1655, if we break through that area, I do believe we should be seeing.
Would you see lower high form?
Yeah, I do. I'm very optimistic with the lower low being formed, and at the moment we're at a lower high area. So that's why, to those buyers I want to buy, you know, I wish you luck. I'm sure you guys could catch 10, 20 pips, and you guys could catch your 1-to-1, 20 pips, 30 pips, you know. But be careful. Trend is your friend. That's what I was taught.
I agree.
You know, and over here we have a obvious downtrend. You know, we're in a bearish trend. Also, we have this double top over here that we sort of formed with clean rejection. And like I said, we literally have clean. We've already broken market structure here on the weekly time frames when we passed 1660. You know, so this area of support right here is now our area of resistance. We've been trading below on the weekly, daily.
And that's the only thing I like why we should be looking for sell, especially that we're trading below that. So that's a major level.
Like, look, we tested it. Once we broke through it, we tested it, but we rejected it heavy. Now, if we start to reject these this lower low over here, we could possibly start creating higher highs and higher lows.
Yeah.
But for the next couple of days on the daily and the weekly, we should be very cautious with our analysis.
Yeah, because anything can happen.
Anything could happen. Like today,
we can easily would want to pull back.
Yeah, today we put, you know, like 45 pips take profit, 45 pips stop loss, but you know, anything could happen. Secured 30 pips in profit, and then it ended up going against us. And we said it to those that can't handle this roller coaster rush emotion or ride or whatever you want to call it.
But look, it's playing out pretty nice.
What do you want me to zoom into, Belden?
EG ripped the fuck up.
So we tapped the major area.
Just the chart was a bit.
We went for those highs.
That's the real question right here. What's gonna happen? It's very important.
Yeah.
That area is important. We did reject it so many times.
Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour. The 4 hour. Like, if I were to want to buy, I want to see it start to trade. Like. Well, right now it looks pretty clean with nice retracement.
If we trade above there, for next week we should be clean for
facts.
Like a retest and continue higher.
Same thing here with buying. With buying, we can, if we buy, we can get caught with this whole area.
It's not a good range.
It's not. It's very risky buys, I would say.
Yeah, but I mean the daily closure would tell us what to look for.
Zay, we're not looking for any trades really. We're just here more for you guys at this point. We both, Dr. Snipes and I, secured profits already on both our trades, so we're 2 for 2 for the day. So we're not, even if something sets up nicely, I'm not gonna take it, bro. I'm already up for the week. You know, it's been.
Yeah, the moves already happened. It's kind of too late to.
At this point now, what we should start seeing in the market, New York market is about to open up at 9:30, so there'll probably be some buyers or sellers. You know, some volume will probably kick in, but right now the market is going to shift from a reactive point, right, to more of confirmation. The point of view, you know, the market always, when news gets released, the market is very highly reactive. You know, you have people panicking, selling, and you know, you have people taking in opportunities. Banks are pulling out, banks are transferring money. You know, you have businesses.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. So you want to let that reactive phase settle down. Damn, somebody's cooking it up, it sounds like.
You gonna call us soon, Dr. Poop?
I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Snipes, I think, is. Are you down, Snipes, to stay here for a bit more? That what?
We can't hear you.
Oh shit. Dude, I'm down to stay here forever, but every time it comes to this time, I fucking start starving. And I hate that.
I just drank a coffee, so I'm not really that hungry.
If I wasn't hungry, bro, I would stay here forever.
I also low key like at 11 o'clock want to take a nap, cause I haven't slept at all tonight. I was low key out last night, not out, but I was just chilling with a friend and we were drinking and shit. So I don't think it'd be a good idea for me to stay up the whole day, or I could and just sleep in tonight. It's Friday night, so I think I might just do that. I might just stay up for the whole day and sleep in early tonight.
Yeah, I took a little nap yesterday, like around 7 to like 8. Kind of helped me out hella. Then I went to go eat. I'm always eating. You notice something about me? I'm always hungry.
I don't know how you're slim, bro. You're skinny.
I don't know, bro. I don't know how I'm so skinny. I'm always eating. I'm always hungry. I'm hungry every 2 hours.
I'm kind of curious to see what up. I'm down to take another trade. Hey, brother. We'll help you analyze your trade and we'll give you our insights. You have a whole bunch of traders in here that can give you their insight, but I am not down to take another trade. You know. Why would we? I secured 2% today. And
so good.
I'm done.
I secured 1.3. I didn't take the gold trade.
Damn, I took your trade. You didn't take my trade?
Dude, is that like I was so up that like I didn't want to take another trade.
Okay. I see.
But it was valid, dude. It was super valid. If not, I would have been like, nah, don't take. Nah.
Tapeworm. What do you mean tapeworm?
But yeah.
But yeah, I'm just not down. You gotta. You don't always have to trade. Even if you see, even if you don't see something like, like, just having that mentality where like you're down to trade. This is not a. This is not a. We're not in here to have fun. You know, this is a business. You know, it's. I'm
Yeah.
not
I
down.
have to take it serious.
You gotta take this serious. You gotta. It's more. You know.
Because you're the
Have your
boss and you're an
times.
employee.
Yeah.
You have to kind of make your own decision. But somebody asked in the YouTube chat, could you give us USD JPY analysis, please?
Yeah.
I mean, you just flying, so shouldn't be. You can see a short-term pullback.
You know, I haven't analyzed USDJPY in like I don't know how long.
That pair just been flying. Pullback, fly. Pullback, fly.
What's up, Roblox?
I
Yeah,
haven't slept.
I slept.
You have him who has slept, and you have me who hasn't slept,
Yeah, I slept. I'm chilling.
and we both got dubs. All
Yeah.
right.
I was able to go to sleep around 12.
So you stay same.
12 a.m.
Damn,
Eastern.
Snipes! I think you got that tapeworm, brother.
What the fuck is that?
So according to them, a tapeworm is a worm that lives in your gut and eats everything you do, so you stay slim.
Maybe, bro. Maybe that's what I have. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been going to a gastroenterologist lately to see what's going on. Because I do think it's a problem. But they don't see anything. They just say you get hungry for no reason.
This look crazy, bro.
Bet.
Just look insane.
Hey doctor, I'm eating more than I should. You're just hungry. Dude, it's only been going up.
Bro, that shit's so crazy.
This is what I'm not gonna lie. Trading pairs like this sometimes gets me like a little antsy because I'm like, dude, like I'm buying. If I want to buy, I'm buying high.
Imagine you're holding that. That's a lot. God damn.
Look at that shit, dude.
Bullet. You know, obviously the dollar is stronger than the yen.
I don't really like trading that. I mean, I do like trading it, but I kind of like it when it ranges a little.
Yeah, that thing just keep going. It's kind of scary.
You never really know.
Yeah, buying at the highs is so scary.
Right, but then
like a lot of people learn.
But then selling at the high is also scary because you're selling when it's been buying.
Yeah, so you don't know when it's gonna stop. So it's kind of like you just have to stay away from it until you get a pullback.
Let it get a little pullback. Wait for retracements. You know.
Yeah. It's been playing. The fib plays have been playing out though. If you were to get in every time at the golden zone rejection, you would have made money in this pair. I don't even use the fibs anymore.
Yeah, I haven't used fibs in a while. Sometimes I hear people talking about fibs, and I'll ask them for like their insight on what they're looking for in the fib, but I don't really use it.
I know how to use it. I just don't use it.
Now my charts are really simplified, bro. Like I'm more strictly 4-hour support and resistance, but sometimes I'll mix it in with like lower time frames. I'll throw in trend lines just to get extra confirmations. I've been using more than ever trend lines as well lately.
Yeah.
EJ rejecting the daily zone. Pretty interesting.
JP, you're gonna stay here for a little bit longer?
Yeah. I just want to see. I want to see how we react to market open, New York market open, for like a couple minutes, and then I'll hop off.
I want to go. I'm gonna order something from Cristiano's. Maybe like a whole breakfast. But I'll stay here for a little longer too. So like 5 minutes. That's good. Keep working, waiting for New York market to open for options. Fire, brother.
Who is that?
Um,
Was that Danny?
no, someone called Roblox.
Oh,
The YouTube chat.
you trade. That's good, bro.
Dude, I'm
Keep working
so down
towards
to
it,
do
man.
options
I'm
whenever I have
not.
like money that like I don't really need.
I think there's earnings this whole week. There's been companies reporting earnings. I think.
Yeah, it's Q4.
Oh, this isn't that. Yeah, as long
And
as
also, like all these news will basically letting us know how 2023 gonna be.
facts.
So they're kind of setting up the news for Q4, you know.
This is
Like all these like unemployment claims, pretty important.
so these are my zones with EJ. This is what I see. This is some nice retracement, right, that we're seeing here.
This shit barely pulls back.
Yeah. Let me just see the 30-minute real quick, cause I'm seeing something that. How big are these candles? Am I tripping out or am I too zoomed out?
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Oh, I see. I guess I was too zoomed out. Yeah, dude, this shit is just crazy. Cause like we're like all these are all-time highs. So
Yeah.
imagine you buy like guys. I'm not even thinking about
You can
getting in.
easily buy and get lucky too.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about getting in whatsoever. So ignore what I'm about to put here. So I'm just talking shit. But if you were to buy and you put like a stop loss like right around here, I guess this would be a valid stop loss, right? And then you have all of this risk to reward to just make new highs. You know. But
Yeah.
it can also be reversed. This can be like as high as it wants to go, and then where do you put your stop loss here? Like is my question.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, bro, it's just that's why I never like, you know, like if a move happened, if I don't get the pullback, there's no point of chasing it. You know, it's kind of like you want the market to go in your favor, you know, instead of waiting for the market. I feel like when you wait for the market to come to you, you have a higher probability of winning the trade. Because you basically expect the market to react from the certain area that you got marked.
Roblox. So I don't trade options with my strategy. To be honest, the only reason why I'm saying I want to see how New York opens is just because remember this is our first week trading New York, so I want to see what time volume kicks in, kicks out. If there's volume at the opening bell of New York, so I'm just observing at this point, you know. I've already taken a trade, so my focus is now observe, watch, and learn. You know, try to pick up patterns, identify certain patterns that are happening, key levels that price wants to break through and reject. So just looking for things that I wouldn't normally maybe pick up on because I'm distracted by a trade.
Do you want to know what's crazy? Our
What?
bias was right on gold.
Let me see.
That's the crazy part. Like if price only pushed up a little bit, flipped back bearish.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like 40. Holy crap. It fucking. What was our entry? 165404. Like right around here. Right? Oh, look, I have it right here. 15-minute. I thought I deleted it. Holy shit. This is what I mean, guys. Like on days like this with news.
But what could we learn from our stop loss was just too small, you know? Gold is like that, it's very volatile. Shit will wick you out very easy.
But the problem with this shit, brother, with the stop loss, like even having a small stop loss, yeah, our analysis was right. But this is just like this
I mean,
because it's news.
Overall, like
this wouldn't happen on a day that there's no news.
Yeah, that's true.
Like our trade is not gonna go. Yeah, it happens where your trade doesn't go accordingly for the first couple pips, for the first couple candles, or But
Also,
it
would you
doesn't
say
move like
the gold
100
is one of
pips.
those pairs you have to give yourself a second chance on?
Yeah, for sure. You know,
Yeah, it's one of
like
those pairs.
especially here, we're starting to trade below that area as well. But like I said, my second chance now is not gonna be the same entry. My second chance would be right around here. My second chance would be right around here. That would be my second chance. Cause
Also, have you seen gold usually at the close? Does the massive move
what do you mean close
at
of
the
the
close
of
of
the
the
day?
day? Yeah, I've seen it so many times. It does a massive move at the close of the day.
We close in 7 hours. The problem with buying or selling at close, bro, is when market opens. It's I feel like it's the same thing that happens with news. Like it'll just price will just go up, fake out, come back down. And if you're buying, it's gonna go down, sell out. Like
Yeah.
I've never traded market close and market open, to be honest with you.
No, but if you just notice, like if you back test, you'll see that market close before the market closed, like hour or two, you see gold, even indices, they close the move today. Like you can easily see the US 30 goes up, but the index by the close you see it coming down and closing down. Seen that so many times. But even with GJ, like, most pairs they actually you see a lot of volume comes in at the close until Asian session takes over.
Yo, JP, dude, this bot is going crazy.
Yeah, what's it at?
It's up. It's up now. It's up 2%.
I told you, don't worry about it.
Dude, do you guys have the bot? Did you guys get the bot? Dude, this fucking freedom trading bot is insane. This shit has passed like more. JP, it's passed more than like 30, 40 challenges by now, and it hasn't failed.
That's why I like it.
It's crazy, bro. It's fucking crazy, and
And
people are receiving payouts.
And they allow EAs. They allow bots, so that's why I like
and
it.
people are telling me that they're receiving payouts and shit too from Blue Forex funds. Fucking fire. But I got one myself, and it's doing pretty good too. But I've sold some to people, and bro, I've had people that have bought like $500,000 challenges and shit, and they got it passed in like 2 days and shit. Crazy shit.
No, that bot is legit. That's the only reason why Eric to go back to your question also. It's another reason why I would probably choose Blue Forex funds over Nations because bro, when you have a live account, I'm sure it probably has happened to you in the past where like you had a live account, and then let's say you blow it, right, and then you don't. It's kind of sucks to have to go through the whole fucking phase one,
Yeah, it's a
phase
process.
two,
Phase one, phase two.
If you have a live
wait 30
account,
days.
you can just focus on your live account, let the bot do the job, get you in live position, and once you're in live position, you're off to the races. You can do what you really do.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, boys. I'm gonna hop off here. I'm fucking starving. I'll let you guys know what I get to eat if you guys want to know.
All right, Chad.
But JP, let me know. Are you gonna hop off?
Yeah, we're gonna call
You're
him
gonna
here. All right,
All right,
guys.
bet.
Hopefully, all of you guys were able to win, with or without us. Successful day. Thank you for the support, guys. Eric, you're a beast. Terminator, you're a beast. Daniel, Robbie, Zuli, everybody in here. I think we killed the.
Martencio, G in this shit. Who else? Ashraf, G here too.
Gang.
Everyone chilling as fuck here. Good shit, guys.
See you guys next week.
Appreciate you.
Peace out, boys.
Yo, I'm gonna hit you about
What
the
you need to do to get into